so me I say some of the parliament want that I came out the year what you don't know be I do know maybe o me so ni na na Kufuado e be see so as a president of the nation some no wa be do some no o sha o je TV so a wa be do le moto be ni na e ni mu a o mo the president e ba be see a oba papura timba ona o ma tini ayebia na oba hanwa di jada da ne kwemu wo hwe the former president don adekunfo so abepie mu ha wo inside ho a wo hwe de ko any la bela president George Oporia also atini abepie mu ha wo hwe the for a state what head of African some of the African countries are 15 or much of the team maybe that they could say kind of bathroom. These are the number of Montpellier and another Kufuado. Boy, yes, and then it is the second time one. About the team, something all inside. We share now the car this year. Other team vice president, also any wife, Nika, Edimagana, my pa, Etia, Ataniquemoa, Sabre, Ocean, Scriptina, air tight, our passion, Scriptino, air tight, Scriptino, air tight. I know my prayer can device. The woman have a jump from my face and I'm Quasua, or by the vice, and any time ever. Alaji Mohammed Bawumia and vice president of the Republic of Ghana. Second time, for the public, or the team, our young media man, or the team, international media, local media, and all them Christian, I attach to our hand, one better than the Kremo, how much you would hear the background of them. I have to be a story in a postline. Now, it's a photo from Pan and our hand, who get on the protocol. Yes, you must say a fata. Yeah, bear or mine, young papa and Inguazia from my home. Together, then we are paying over. The best kind of a fair forward last time. Yeah, share with the jump you 4 p.m. popular the Jamuya program. At the end of the Nicola, you know, airport so hard. And a grokra
Ansana Obibe Remuno, Yamanura. Machine muscani ni panuansa.
Yeah, the person over room as Nipano, cars, Nipano, because of the room, the best canoe. Yeah, sir, the Ebutawa, and now, California, yes, I was my coronavirus. Yeah, who's taking the South Yano? The best canoe I have said, I don't know what to do on here. Like I said, what is I don't show body no be a car. This apart from a vice president and the president of the Omea Slave, Omukwa can be a there's a car for apart from a 2-panel petrol car somewhere Independence Square. I thought I would see every move up. Oh, the parliament has 4 quarters of parliament in the airport. Somebody over who is that one? Chief Justice Asante, Speaker of Parliament, now, yes, minority side no Yenya who or and I'm the 2 just say Omo a Shedia, Omo a Jebaya, Omoa, Yabo Mutuana, Playa Twabana, Yabo Mutunum. Yes, my because almost up with you know, I was so guy, Central Mosque. And Omuka could say, Mano, it's something on my house for and I'm the team one but to say, a year on Omuka, Ama, the 40 days is the same, and see, and Omuna, the team one, they are yet to me enter. It's a bank where I just on the Shabbat on Timano, yet to me enter to see him. Some and I would go to just on Mukoyi, a year pounds of one go to Rombako, or a yes, and some mosque, and then. Eti obetiemu o adiana bibiada dane kwemu a imedieno eguzua ekoso they come for the will take 102.9 hours and they gather that the Kumwa, also, our Timadan, I come up, I grab a head, the real, I declare, as I hear, come up. What Mr. Who wrote to the Who rather be, let's say, Omano, yet the idea said, it's the idea my own thing, I'm a mouth Luciano. Now, all your TV so at the personal, who says, I'll be there than Agazano, as a proper together than
Okay. Very good. My young share, Yenimse, and Penyumfo Kudamwa, or mine one cassa tonsa at the Frey Wardomino, in Pempre, or when you to me a baby do dear.
Yeah, a bit of this one, my choice, I'm from there, almost better to it. This is do yet. It's Yagusa, yes, after every day, because of this one, because of Yalensi, anything, and Yaquine, as young fan is either Yalensi, Yalentino, Obia, one home by there, of a shen won't see you. At Yalensi, the Jim says you have a Jimwa. So, one of Jimwano, Yamama, Papa. On my time on the Julian Apostle. It's a sanity of power and before I feel from Rubro. Other countries in the Indian yes, you know, you're paying for that. They invite you more as a citizen here. Former president, I would almost have a former president, John Mama, God always states man, always very Jim, but to him, Jim, invitation acquire no whatever has a planning and crabia and everything at say. Let you say Obanazo. Now, other foreign, I invite you there. Yamada Emu, Takana Ambano, Avetnazaga, Burundi, former president, Kenny, Liberia, South Africa, Prime Minister, and other Amazon, or more Memuniano, or we have a team with Medina Air Cost.
Good. Sanya watcher say minority for imprempring when she on mumu biaso na mampanyini dada mahama oye statesman wunnim frisa wono nso nyama medui sa obeba na omba papa kofo de wama yenya na ntia ne so abedu eba se ya political parties no ye wo both sides no akesifo no MPP and NDC mayenhwe onum mpanyimfo no MPP for mpanyimfo bi aba na NDC for nso omo mpanyimfo mu bi aba ho ana parties no NDC pay for there obi amepie mu awotumedina se ya America eka trema for mu tese omo asise dwumedi se bra ya to aba na omo a etuo eka omo afi omo ka no ene omo ye ewufo sun e de ama omo central mosque abuso kind and janunti and the leadership of NDC and pay for Omuti Timan. Come on, Moody Sano, and you're doing and come while you're sorry in a higher president. You're doing it. Of course, and Muntin almost man. Say, you probably have a problem with that program almost back again. I'll move to Parliament on Moko and Lutin my me. I don't think this is a time I have said, Omano, Yaku, and every gas because of Janunti. I don't want to hear my because I'm there for 2 more central most one. Some of my group are ASA, who force Ediama or my friend. A change I look at Omotia, Mako Susako from the HV and Yanja, a plan for the area, maybe area made an Asiano, or making up with Puma, Yamo, Quaba. The yes, I'll get on my evaporator of minor, okay. And the calendar 2016, the same thing happened when MPP so the leadership didn't come back. Former President George for them. With me, Ghana for I think happy 2013 ago. This is leadership, no. Party leadership, no. 2012 election. I'm going to go to. Or much more demo to Medina invest. I got a independent square. The same thing, and almost a year. Get me and can't. Okay. Yenimsa Yura, Professor Michael Quay, when to me, I'm a yes speaker this time around. What we do?
What who know?
Wait, the many men can so, and I'm there. Media no, yeah, man, find my own right inside no. Yeah, no, I'm so bad. Yeah, but now I have a nothing. Maybe because of what nothing from everyone has to before I ever told me about my Kiano. No, I'm not a big it's able a noon idea or 4 years of home or conversation one of an on yeah. I don't think that no, I don't know a brown credit, yeah, also Namqua or Babashe within Nakoso. Because now, Usman Abamadi as the Speaker of Parliament. Now I can 7 Parliament. No, Abamadi second deputy. No, Speaker of Parliament, and only the second deputy. And we see, and I have former. Speaker of Parliament, I think that might be great.
Okay, you say last 4 years, and ka ebrebi say ye no, and can you pardon and about dump him Independence Square and Yansam Ketwa, but this time around, yeah, is strictly by invitation. So be an fall a victim ewo aposi for near Hobambo phones are not there. Assemble Dabi.
Yeah, what's the agency I'm one a bar? I have 4 courts of Parliament as no much as a area of a Lentino and Coye. And it's a much of which money acquiring Independence Square. I'm a pardon about the same one. Yaleno as I increase that. Meanwhile, the Siano, my base, as I say, and I'm on the 18th school, I'm a Biaco school. Now, the yes to me, Emma, I'm out from my agena. Such a way there, everything I continue, Nipaka Krebi, everything I continue, Nipaka Krebia, or making up Medina, who makes Medina, I think I got if I go in Independence Square, you know. The next year, and as I was so, everything about my penny, planning committee, no, as you say, I say, I don't know, 4 court of Independence, Parliament House. See, I bet you continue to pack a connect and Pacarnum, was no bad, this organization, and some of my media want to tell the God of alienity. It's on my own, and the pack a credit to me very inside. Let me be an Okran, who not media village. I want on the screen can see here. Open so your report me there. But this time I said Medina and over to look up and have a share dignity Mumba, no the IO report now. Malaysia here. What you mean this open village on one the apostle no I said some people know the apostle
okay. Inti a 4 court of Parliament no they say a why ye di ya train. And they say, Mampenyin one Casabedru, Frisawami at say, Nabedi Chabedu, and Ameboa. Okay, but speak Antanase. Okay, Yate, Yamadi, Yabasamba won't change you na Yanewo Abebo and Combo. Arofonia this year, way a year, a live coverage, presidential inauguration, and Yade Mamo ewo 102.9 FM. Uteka FM so imprempren show ni ya live ewo yen Facebook nenso so ne hone ye wo Real Pascal GH. Ubetumi de wadwenkyere afa hwa mayen. Na emom wadwenkyere a wode befa ho no ema ne nye atenie ma enye kasa ehonte. Okay. Ose nana ya Krobea Asante enawie mayemma wone wapamfo nyina ha. Na Ghana se ye nyina ye kabom na ye gina eno ne bema asomdue ne nso agina ene wo ba ofori krom anwemu a nana mewa ha mehwemu show no presidential inauguration no mehwemo live ewo Facebook ne so say tie mo ewo 102.9 FM ne so ye wo Edu Charles a wo kire se akra ya Krobea Asante me nso me ne DJ Margarito Moro Market ena ye wo Yankopon shira ye nyina na omwa omai Ghana emma yenso yeniyi Lloyd Kwabena Benson eno se owo amasaman na ohweyen enso ewo ho live ewo manso abore Abdul Fosu Malik ya ononso enawie ononso ewo so bi na kona ayata kona ena abena ni maba Simba enso ewo ho bia empremprem wononso ehweyen live afe ye wo odoi tema ena o kire se akra ya Krobea Asante basta okay ya demonstrate nipa binom demonstrate she ties blocko akwan nanso still yes mampanyini no in ene na natwa so okay ba sania na manugusu a na meka no speaker of parliament impremprem yeyi no ewo oman Ghana yimu no Mr. Sansoni Baben ene Mrs. Margaret B. Baben onom ena opanyini yewo no edemaye ache se na wofo enso eno no ne hokani ya Mrs. Alice Ajua Jonas Baben ononi program officer United Nations Children Fund UNICEF officer wa Ghana ha no ono na oye programs officer ntimpremprem opanyini ena oye speaker of parliament na sambeka ya 2008 emfimpinu ene enwotwene mu papa yi odan ni trip padi se ogina no apre abeye mampanyini kura ewe ndis yamanyokuro ni din mu nanso enioma ankoyie amfa amano babeye majority leader ewo oman Ghana imu wabeye minister ama asoye hwe ensuo adansie ni nnwuma nso ho nsem so ewo mampanyini mills yankopon fa ne kransie yie na penso wati ase eni se mpremprem ononso aba abegina mu se speaker enso ewo oman Ghana imu enti adofo ne ade hye egusu de akire ya ye follow na ye hwe enioma ekoso mpremprem ye radio wise ya ononso eye first deputy ene formina MP we are super de enye easy o no matter what the beto abrabo mu bia no fasa papa we example no eya yusu wate na bebo apa yewura Asiama Andrews ononso ye second deputy etwa me moma mintwa me ho na ye monitor nioma de bekoso ewon kran bia no ya ye yirede ye befa na yede amamu 102.9 FM Utek
Ejebo echenya babeju
oh mawurade ani dede bebrebe
Spanish garlic mixture na me di ho dance ye kire wo no ena sesei de ne capsules nso aba eno ni dede bebrebe yo
ono kwa
Spanish garlic mixture ne capsules na aba no sesei de ya ye ne stronko na supporting immune system esan ye ma obi a odwonso ntentem de na ni so tabri no de ne nase tatai de na koma boni periperi ena esan na ne srade e woni paduanum
sanso ena boama mojedi afrisane e woni paduanum ana afei obi a pampan e wo nanum Spanish garlic mixture ne capsules here abai se upe bi ata e wo kumase no ubenya bi e wo PFA pharmacy Corinac Heba Danny Heba Fred Mens Heba Misty Heba ana afei KNG Heba ene drugstore pharmacy shop bia mu so no onsa ebeka bi
shanen so oba wa fafro de o ma akwada no fo ena afei akwa woni mfedumienu entimi enum aduro yi bi frɛ 0266114111
FDA ahwehwɛ saa adwadie nkratoa yi mu agye atumu sɛ ɛyɛ anokware moma yɛnka na Spanish garlic mixture ne ne capsules ya bai de ɛyɛ adu papo
kana kabiem
hey sister wonko wato adonko original hand sanitizer edu hey Dr. Kweku otiada Roma wafa ho kanu bi afiga nofo so ama ayefo na me to bia kwachicha ma me fiefo ama obi enye waka asem o madam me pa cho ma me nso 5 enka me de no ho ai na said ya amanfo agi adonko original hand sanitizer atumu no manya stadia wo befo jame
Asante ni se coronavirus no aba no wonu abusuafo di agro bedi mu
ano de no crapa boss
adonko original hand sanitizer inso de efira adonko company limited that is a quality ho asem de yeka no
trodo
akwa hododo ya ewomu ni na achi no wo de aloe vera enso afra enti ensa wonsa ho enhwem na afo se the sister yi kan
ampa
tumikum germs and bacteria 99.9% coronavirus and other viruses no omo venture pe wanse asejura be
Adonko original hand sanitizer.
Ubenya bi pharmacies, chemical shops, supermarkets. Angel TV ni Angel radio stations bebrebe ya ewo Angel broadcast network ase no. E Ghana ha baabi a wokɔ mu so a ubenya bi ato. Wo mu otu bebre no ebetumi akokuma se kronma bo hia. Adonko Company Limited factory hwa. One fresh 0231 30 32 60 ana 0244 83 22 86 ena 0244 18 66 12. Adonko original hand sanitizer. Coronavirus.
Sweet darling,
my beautiful baby.
Hepa Plus mixture ya ebusinya num ebusinya immune system. Abosumi pinyi obia enya ready. Tia siemedo.
Tie Hepa Plus mixture enya adwuma ebeye no nipadua no no afi kra na ebeye nwanwa mo. Aduro ye ma yen general well-being. Ebusua pomden hu hia me yie. Esene bibia. Ebusua wota num Hepa Plus mixture no. Won sesika hospitals. Wo save e dia de foforo. Entimi ma no mpafie ha.
She we Hepa Plus husband.
Radio Hepa Plus husband. And you want so be Hepa Plus wife. Na bono Hepa Plus mixer. A pen for about more money for one kwada we nfie dum yenu ka ho. Our pharmacies, chemical herbal shops. At phone for 0542 778 572 and 0549 297 463. Hepa Plus mixer. And my promodina mapa.
FD ashosha sa ejedi enkrato imu aja to se eye. Never be my betting so mame. The wood ointment. Kama papa.
The wood ointment. With the true via. Una baby na ya ebedo from Enquia African Health Legendary Ointment of the Year 2018. Award winner Asem Yekin. Enquia fu awakwa fuma banu wabre. Afra fu awakwa epo abanu wabre. Edwedifo awakwa dwoma banu wabre. Adroba fu awayi gears ya driver na wabre. Efita fu mesin fu obi asasabro ha no. Meka ja hwan. Wudware wie na wo the wood ointment twia. Wo behu da obeda.
Mira, me bin komi sisi ni me kotodwe nyina.
Usisi mpo de enyo na abeka. Me dibi ko twi ho nyina na dwo wontam.
The wood ointment.
Our pharmacies, herbal and chemical shops. Titru, King's Walk Herbal, Okaishi. Dodua, The Wood Scientific Herbal Hospital. PM Ubenya. Phone numbers 0241 244 012 and 0201 681717.
The wood ointment.
Fetchina Beko.
Abapamo. Wamundi no creo.
Online shop no. Ade enemana we order no. Omusa are ready.
Share what dia befie.
Wow.
Susumpo na meto edema omufa musu. She say online shopper. Wo to ade a wo pinema wo yesusu. Na eso a wo de ade krona bre wo die. Minti bida age abapamo.
Wom de no anso akọ Play Store ana App Store no download wo mo app no. Ni tie wan say trafie maye ni dwamrew. Say yentade empaboa mobile phones, home appliances, electrical appliances, opedurato, pharmacies wom, saloon, barber shop. Ya ne bo no kra foche de okrom. Wo de mobile phone no kra ye bayere de a wo fro mo a. Wo be ya ma.
Na yenya wo mo a anka coronavirus abre. Ka ye be den.
Ene ke bio. Enu tro so obi afro mo sesi a 059 1214 135 and 059 1214 137. Website www.abapamall.com.
Abapamo.
So convenient.
Abapamo.
So convenient.
Hello. Your friend is of Mamina and Hayford. Me yen century. Messiah actress. And then you know who do pee and na me juma dainty. Ma pomi den hu hia me papa na seba ma pomi den hu dia. And one Jifax mixture. Bonje. Jifax mixture nti minisisi yare bia. And yes so flexible. Baby I will bet to afa bia. Mitimi jina papa tenten so. Just say Jifax mama your best one kasa. Minya bema. Ebema wusu wa ye bema mapa. Say tia meji Jifax mixture tumpre kopani say. Edro no hote ye dia fa abefu nimdia kwanso. Eni fidie won wasuom e na ye ne Frenchem kroje. Ye no nti ma ye resadie. Enu wane Jifax mixture. Edre wo benya bi wa drugstore eni herbal store bi e be. Na momitie enye ma penfo oba a o ma kwala no fo. Ana kwala onyenya enfie dumienu. Jifax mixture pa.
21st clinic say eba sciatica no every usisimu kono a woto ase ho no ntina fa usrem ekosi wo na ase ho no ebo betimi atutu ama wo ankasa wo hu ba bia enye enti 21st clinic wo mo na ye sciatica expert e wo Ghana ha wo mo de bibiduro so ho bibiduro ankasa ene besa o ya no masa de machine aka ho ya de bibiduro ka ho ne asan de wato machine so ya asan ya o massage bi ya wi a herbal treatment ya de awono ama ho sciatica 21st clinic na ye expert a wotu ase Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho enkran domi market wo ho heavy do dan mo ho ena kuma senso ahia wudu session so wo mo na nwie dwabo so wo mo ho sunyane ni wenchi ni ba bia nkranza 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
awarifo a mawari yakusa mu akatie stimu dia so abranti ani ababa mo sesa ware mo so amaware aye from obiantie 143
yamo bibia kwa 143 for na ye krado
aware ani ayonkofa manimdefo na betena se na wakyerɛ mo ayonkofa ani aware su
fili adwuma ba ya na yere na ni obi dan paso me wuni amenya kura no fa na sa what do you mean fa na sa say media radio asem nkan jere say ye nyimi o
memenda wei ani memenda bia Numero non son, e così è numero non con 143. I love you. Don't want some 143. I love you.
OTEC 102.9 FM.
Okay. Arofonia this year that must say ya ba. Na sabre ya ye ka say Kaishanen so. Sir Speaker of Parliament Yeura Honorable Aban Kingsford Sumana Bagben. Opanyini no waji adwa ewo emrahye fie enti emprempre ya kwagara emrahye fie na Honorable Speaker of Parliament aje nadwai yehwe house ni mu ensemo ene o hyase with enti etiefo ekomrahye bedwam.
The names of dignitaries all over the world that have taken time and trouble in this COVID era to come and be part of this swearing ceremony. The heads of delegations, excellencies, and dignitaries include the following. His Excellency Mr. Sassou Nguesso, President of the Republic of Congo. His Excellency Mr. Faure Gnassingbé, President of the Republic of Togo. His Excellency Mr. Alassane Ouattara, President of Côte d'Ivoire. Honorable members, I've just been reliably informed that His Excellency, the President-elect, is just at the entrance. And so I want to invite the leaders of the parliamentary groups in Parliament to accompany me to usher in His Excellency, the President-elect. After that, I will take some time to go through the rest of the names.
Okay. Atiefo eno ye Ghana. Emrahye bedwam Speaker ya udianimu. Speaker of Parliament Yeura Bagben. Ena ahyase no de na oyo no eye aman panyimfo ene mpanyimfo a aba eye emrahye bedwanimu ena oma wonom akwaba. Enti no ogusu a no obobo se COVID ensemi mu nyina chi no ya to nsafre wonom aba na wode wani monyam aba be pie Ghana ha wabo Congo de Togo de Côte d'Ivoire de ena yebeyi na sutre e kire se imprempre the president elect ma Ghana ha na na do dan kwa kufu ado waba bedru aha enti osre leaders a ewo mrahye bedwani mu se onum nya no na onkonkofa mampanyini emra na je so ma na kwa abamfa ne mewuram enti mpremprei osha yewura speaker of parliament one na bedi akirefo mienu no na wo hwe fom na mpia enani wone so pa ani wone so papa ne fra ni kente kama ena odimu a imprempre onom nso epie na onom akofa Ghana mampanyini nana ado dankwa ekufu ado ya yato abayi no na eneye pa ne hontma na wakanta mwedi nsie enso akire Ghana fo akofa no ede no abam the great man very good say emrahye bedwa no atenase speaker atenase wahya mampanyini aba bedu yato abama no waba bedu and speaker asre ne mpanyimfo ewo ho say won mo kofa no ede na ba so far
yo akra maminchia Asem Beba Dabi etifu interesting times
good
Asem Beba Dabi
did say if you say election no ekwa wi ya ebobo ya wantwi kakra ba ho no bepem no papa no dodo na anwe ho say obi ti say bia abamba be ne beba be speaker of parliament na obia so antimi ana anwe ho da say lawyer siama of formna
independent
deputy speaker of parliament
sure
it's interesting times when our akoso no nyina no go into our history, our political history. Na kwensem da ho ane adesuama ye kwanim no. Enema kakra bi akoso enura ne ahomache no ne ene no. Ebema nipa bi entiase ye wo amanyosemu na asesa. Ebema nipa bi entiase wo amanyosemu. Na nipa bi nso ebehu se enema bi ho no enye simple to say the Yehuno no. And for the first time 137.
Wow.
A very, very wonderful. Ya nwisi ebedru hada. Enura Donald Trump and then the supporters share and can be say sisi akra no third world countries ne Sri America for. Or say third world countries ne kra sisi omoto abakra na boko na America hade ya tenama obi awiem. Minim which specific country na Donald Trump kasa ne ba ne trembie. Nemum no third world countries are an African countries are afie to aba no Cote d'Ivoire for to Guinea for to in Cote d'Ivoire for case no for instance no Alassane Ouattara no okota tem na wa chinchim constitution no a man opportunity man be kota tem Alpha Conde 84-year-old Alpha Conde also Guinea and also eko tetem ni ade ni nyina echi no as a ground so nye so bad sa enti ye beka say generally in terms of ekwan efa so to ya aba ne kwan efa so ye hyehyɛ no de where there are skirmishes better feed ye was scan it through Africa enche pi na Malawi ana Namibia Malawi omoto abawie ya election petition bam as Supreme Court for the omuna see from say omunsan koto aba ne bi
Asem Beba Dabi
enunti the ekoko okoso no nyina no will go into history anyem nwanwa say baby aba bedru no da bi e ka say the consciousness level nipa kwan nipa fa so te ne ma ase abato say da bi e ka say me de me wa hanom a ye de sebi aboa bi kura begina ho a
meto
akọ ne ade no me hu ne say the consciousness level of the people no keeps on changing. Amount for yentina afi no skirt and blouse no
ebe mu more
no amount for ni ada ho
sure
etwa so saa na megidi say ebeboa sisi na aba bi na aba be speaker of parliament ye nim how things will go across obeka ya in previous parliament no number 7 no enche na minority for I walk out enche na minority for I walk out edrumre bi kura na minority for no timi ka chamber or share speaker nim ka chen say we bias.
Sure.
So today what will happen? Why na majority na why na minority? Why na beka so ye work out? Because some people focus on more work out. Executive no, president ni nanado. Most of the bills at Beba Parliament ama abedane mrani adodona in most cases free nanado office and as executive on the Beba.
Sure.
In terms of workout there, it will be very difficult. Say MPP for no more abem no beka say omo workout. And in terms of numbers and so NDC for so instead of workout, no the omo be ya say Mr. Speaker, can we go into secret ballot?
Yenkotuaba.
Sure. I say previously no. And no be kure busa say na we ye tuaba na eyi. Minua emra no a ye de parliamentary activities no about to. Na the current affairs ni tuaba ne say ya na anytime bia ye komra shebedwefuma party ba ko do so say party ba ko.
Bi wo ho a edom ne dos.
Eti hu hia so be ka say tuaba in previous
2016 crowd for instance
169
106
enti uka se enkoto aba it is normally speaker na say those who support it say yes yeah no so they are serving but today and this is for munya work out
Dabi
the omo betimi ya na say Mr. Speaker, can we go into ballot secret ballot no makoto akutia enti interesting times.
Okay.
Just that when first no near no Independence Square. Cananado best way in 2016 no independent previous ones near no Independence Square. And I don't know the woman na say also swear in front of the MPs. So swear a man and they said there was suama
or mine
nyina.
Sure.
Now first no na they call Independence Square no. I say we for na to me identify problems and say yeah de enkunya besi ode obi adin abo ho nkona party functionaries abetra so
untimi nyi
wakunya e why beja ne ade to me na say ka me nua o se Ghana no samanyofo ye bibi na yenko pay event organizer yenko bot tent yenko pay we yenye we afina yenko fa sound system ne nema public address system ne ka no so it me no suggestion ba say ye de ba na se bedwafiem no na me pese omde coffee ni inside e ho de e bo canopy ho yenko han akunya bia mfiri ba bia ama bibia ho dada na ya de kakra bi e something symbolic ade o man say constitution say ye to abawia by 7 January no ye mfa wunsi so na swear before the people mini what you say and so omo de aba parliament for court wo me gidi say ahano at least say yakohin high tent aye ne manema kra na ebi e ka no so be dey
ebeti the great man we dey mintwa wa no ma menko emrahye bedwafie se say ye ka say speaker ede mampanyini enso aba abewuram enti Ghana mampanyini atena se enne onfrantoma enne ohye mena na abeso ohye ni coat or black suit mu wa bone tie kama enna ote ho enti yekọ na yemfa speaker enso Mr. Speaker,
an honor the swearing in of His Excellency the President and His Excellency the Vice President. As I told you, the list is quite long, but I'll endeavor to take just a few minutes to acknowledge them on your behalf. We also have in our presence His Excellency Professor Alpha Conde, President of the Republic of Guinea. His Excellency Mr. Macky Sall, President of the Republic of Senegal. His Excellency Mr. Mahamadou Issoufou, President of the Republic of Niger. In the French, they say Niger. His Excellency, Mr. Rochmark Christian Kabore, President of the Republic of Burkina Faso. His Excellency, Mr. George Mani Weah, you all know him very well, President of the Republic of Liberia. His Excellency, Mr. Julius Maada Bio, President of the Republic of Sierra Leone. His Excellency, Mr. Umaru Sissoko Embalo, President of Guinea-Bissau. His Excellency, Dr. Bonito de Souza Baltazar Diego, Vice President of the Republic of Angola. His Excellency, Colonel Asmi Goita, Vice President of the Transition in Mali. His Excellency, Mr. Rui Figueiredo Soares, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Regional Integration of the Republic of Cape Verde. His Excellency Musa Faki Mahamat, Chairperson of the African Union Commission. His Excellency Jean-Claude Cassibreu, President of the ECOWAS Commission. Senator Friza Ifwa Asangono, President of the Senate, Republic of Equatorial Guinea. Our own Dr. Mohamed Ibn Chambers, Special Representative of the Secretary General, United Nations Office for West Africa and the Sahel. His Excellency Geoffrey Onyama, Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Honorable Jean-Yves Le Drian, Minister for Foreign Affairs of France. FM. Mr. V. Muralin Ham, Minister for Foreign Affairs of India. His Excellency Aurélien A. Agbenonsi, Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Benin. Honorable Vincent Biruta, Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Rwanda. Mr. Mamadou Tangara, Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Gambia. Mr. Pakomi Murbelet Mubeya, Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Gabon. And we have also His Excellency John Ajekun Kufuor, former President of the Republic of Ghana. We have Her Excellency Hajia Ramatu Mahama, wife of the former Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. And our own, the Right Honorable Ebenezer Virginia Sechi Hughes, former Speaker of the Parliament, and he's not here alone, he is with his dear wife to honor the swearing in of His Excellency, the President-elect of Ghana. We have another former senior member, Honorable Freddie Blay, former Deputy Speaker of Parliament, and now Chairman of the New Patriotic Party. We also have His Excellency Jacoba A.S. Oliver Terendrazaniri Velo, Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Madagascar. Ambassador Amin Abba Siddiq, Minister for Foreign Affairs, African Integration and Chadians Abroad. His Excellency Mr. Kabanda Kana Andrew, Minister at the Presidency of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Mr. James Dudridge, Minister for Africa at the Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office of the United Kingdom. Ambassador Peter Pham, Special Envoy for the Sahel region, United Nations, United States of America. His Excellency Richard Wanza, Ambassador of the Republic of Zambia to Ghana, representing the President of the Republic of Zambia, His Excellency Mr. Edgar Changwa Lungu. His Excellency Emad Magdi Hana Kamel, Ambassador of the Arab Republic of Egypt to Ghana, representing the President of Egypt, His Excellency Abdul Fattah el-Sisi. His Excellency Miss Imani Kwadil, Ambassador of the Kingdom of Morocco, representing His Majesty King Mohammed VI of the Kingdom of Morocco. We have numerous distinguished members of the diplomatic corps, too many for mention. But before I end, I had acknowledged some of the dignitaries before the arrival of His Excellency the Vice President-elect and His Excellency the President-elect. And so I will just mention them. It's only, I believe, 4 names. So just bear me for a while. His Excellency Mr. Sassou Nguesso, President of the Republic of Congo, is here with us. His Excellency Mr. Fauri Nyasimbe, President of the Republic of Togo. His Excellency Mr. Alassane Ouattara, President of Côte d'Ivoire. And I believe the last but not the least, His Excellency Professor Alpha Conde, President of the Republic of Guinea. It's important that I acknowledge the presence of my dear one, I gave a title to the wives of former speakers. And since some are here, if I don't use the same title, I may be charged with discrimination. Since the speakers are right honorable, I humbly proposed, and it was accepted, that their wives be referred to as left honorables.
OTEC 102.9 FM.
So my dear wife is here, the left honorable Alice Adjoa Jonas. Now, honorable members, with your kind permission, I want to, on behalf of the House and my good self, wish the visiting dignitaries a pleasant stay in our country. Without much ado, want to move to the next item, and that is to invite His Lordship, the Chief Justice, to administer the oath to the Vice President-elect.
Okay, Enti Sabri, Speaker of Parliament, Atonsa Afre, Chief Justice. Garman Penyini, Abedi Achiri, Yeura, Mahmoud Baumia, Wasore, Onona, Odin Kain, Ababedinense. Ashasia no dia in the speaker din kan ya akosia speaker ye day
Krobea senior na dwumadie ni nyina sitie no
me pacho
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia
okra Quran.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear
that I will bear true faith and allegiance.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of Ghana.
To the Republic of Ghana.
As by law established.
As by law established.
That I will uphold.
That I will uphold.
The sovereignty and integrity of Ghana.
The sovereignty and integrity of Ghana.
And that I will preserve.
And that I will preserve.
Protect
and
defend
the
Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
The Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
So help me God.
So help me God.
That's the oath.
Ordinance area.
I, Mahmoud Baumia,
having been elected to the office of the Vice President.
Having been elected to the office of the Vice President.
Of the Republic of Ghana.
Of the Republic of Ghana.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
That I will at all times.
That I will at all times. Preserve. Protect
and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
And defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
And I will dedicate. Myself to the service and well-being.
Myself to the service and well-being.
Of the people of the Republic of Ghana.
Of the people of the Republic of Ghana.
And to do right to all manner of persons.
And to do right to all manner of persons.
I further solemnly swear. That should I at any time. Break this oath of office. I shall submit myself. To the laws of the Republic of Ghana. And suffer the penalty for it. So help me God.
Okay. Sesia no Ghana mampanyina bedi achiri yanyano Yeura Mahmoud Baumia wedinense wagina nyankopon animu nso akantam ya no okura Quran na Chief Justice the man nti sese ya man nkrate egudanim ya osensan akyerese empremprei waba beye mampanyina bedi achiri ewo oman Ghana imu Chief Justice as ye in the Vice President Onwani Dino obon Dr. Baumia unze oka honoche ho alaji. Okay, and this is here was sign and kratano prusa hodo esafatano ye twitwano frise mpempre de abeye mampanyini abedi achiri and so ewo oman Ghana yimu. And it's Speaker of Parliament Eton Safre Chief Justice wama mampanyina bedi achiri nemprempre wo hyeneche na ohye na large fo atade mampanyina bedi achiri mu amunhwe bie no wo hyeneche na waje nikiki ne space ya wo hye no wo hye nose mask eye black na wahye na tade fita na ehye no ne hokani wo ho mampanyini nso ne hokani wo ho papa kofo enso ewo ho nemmom mihu Ghana mampanyini dada Yeura Mahama menhuno ɛna utie earlier reporter nyamadi edi free ehoba ye no ochire say NDC MPs no say untumi nka so your minority na untumi nka so your majority ye hwani mu ni ahu edi say no odi to anim earlier say omo ka so omo koye onom awufu sumbi ye besa akoni akohwe say wonom ba say mampanyina be de akire wa wie ne de wa kan ntam wadi nense agina nyankopon din mu akire say o officer wo kokuta okoye bibia ensem fata ode ne ho ebeba ama Ghana ama mrano eni nedi. Okay, speaker.
On behalf of the House and on my own behalf, I congratulate you on your assumption of the office of the land as Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Congratulations.
102.9 FM.
Honorable members, before I go to the main item, my attention has been drawn to the presence in this August House of some special dignitaries that we cannot afford not to recognize. It's important that we recognize the presence of Her Excellency Rebecca Akufo-Addo, First Lady of the Republic of Ghana. We also have with us Her Excellency Ramatu Bawumia, I don't know whether she saw an affidavit to change her name, but that was what they submitted to me. So, Your Excellency, I apologize on behalf of the House for the mix-up. She is Her Excellency Samira Bawumia, spouse of the Vice President of Ghana, who is the second lady of the Republic. We also have our revered traditional leader, a paramount chief, but I'm not recognizing him because of that title. I'm doing so because he is the chairman of the Council of State in the person of Nana Otu Sriboa. And now, the purpose for which we are here. I have your permission to invite His Lordship, the Chief Justice, to administer the oath to the President-elect. Chief Justice, you may do so now.
Okay. Sesi Yasan Free Chief Justice Bill. Ya impempre mampanyini dia no ankasa ena oba na wababeye. Nana do danko Akufo-Addo as at 2016 as he did no. At this time around wanyesa ofrantma na ye kente pa badene oshe suit. Yintin
Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance.
To the Republic of Ghana.
To the Republic of Ghana.
As by law established.
As by law established.
That I will uphold
that I will uphold
the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana,
the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana,
and that I will preserve,
protect,
and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
The Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
So help me God.
So help me God.
No. Sabre, dear, or can we, no? Okay. You're tossing, you know.
Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo.
Having been elected
to
the high office of President of the Republic of Ghana.
To the high office of President of the Republic of Ghana.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
That I will be faithful.
That I will be faithful.
And true to the Republic of Ghana.
And true to the Republic of Ghana.
That I will at all times.
That I will at all times.
Preserve.
Protect.
And defend. The Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
The Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
And that I dedicate myself.
And that I dedicate myself.
To the service and well-being of the people of the Republic of Ghana.
To the service and well-being of the people of the Republic of Ghana.
And to do right.
To
all manner of persons. I further solemnly swear. That should I at any time. Break this oath of office. I shall submit myself. To the laws of the Republic of Ghana. And suffer the penalty for it. So help me God.
Okay. It is a yard and some bo. Neyre bon in some pa. Ubia sorry jinaho. Ewo biano. Imprimpri mampenini nado. Wanonso. You will. Ononso akanentam edinense. Elso ewie enti enkrata. Esefata se osensan de wodi ne din hyihyem no ofele nonna ugina ho na oyo sa pepepe imprimprin ewo Ghana mrahye bedwam aha ye 102.9 FM aha ye utek na sanie ene mampanyini one na bedi akire yeto aba bronya bosome da ne tosonson sani amamra ne kire se bosome kura akire mo be kanta mo adinse na yayi mu akire ewiase ene oman no nyina no sa pepepe ena egusu ndizeze de na na adodankwa Akufo-Addo asoa awie wa kanenta mo adinensi awie as president and this say onye president elect bio or ye president of the Republic of Ghana imprimprin aha enti enkrata no ena osensan sa pepepe ena ekona sane na meka no se ohwe 2016 ebra na okantam na odinsia no a na eyantoma barafi wasesem ankontoma ne bio last 4 years it was kente papa afidia no ni suit wa boni suit the great man and the sayabdom and the sayabdom
na na bread
as the sayabdom
idiot say
ba mi husiri ya wona nanim the posture no mi husiri ya wona
of course
minim sebia de mimi hunu ne sa dia
oh say anopa nyina no say o monitor nyansapo no so a any other platforms are the bia meka say feelings na amanfo demonstrating
me pa cho okofo akunwa kese no adwa kese no ye tware pruse wa hye ni nose mask okay pau atena so fonton froni su esu good enti waje na adwa watena mampanyini adwa ne so ewo mrahye bedwam okay great man
nti the American say in mosque you see ya na enigia etai echiri no no na make us say monitor amount for comment ne amount for feelings amount for in most cases yeah na a representation of the bigger picture omo the voice be nyina no ebi mu di arehwo omo the voice ba nyina no ebi mu ye bi mu wanwa say obi share MPs nim
me pa cho akoso ahu de
akora wo hwe ekwan a sekan no wo so mu no anyame anim ni entimi mpagya nkosoro papa
opagyae nemom unse se
oye ni gidi wasare to ho
afi mi hu papa na nije
ayi bible na de kura no kura wan pagya nkosoro me very sure say ayi na awahye no
okay
bia awahye bulletproof
the vest ni bi
vest no nti o ma hye no nti bia etimi mani mpagya apart from say bia problem bi o no de etimi nti bible no so hwe vice president de na opagya ba Quran ne kosoro nana
okay ba cha ma mintie speaker kakra or the nyame asema no yentie ne kakra.
Honorable members, and I have the pleasure and honor to invite the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, to deliver the inaugural address. Mr. President, you may proceed to deliver your address.
Say ya ton sa frem ampanyini obema na no disem.
Mr. Speaker, I extend a hearty akwaba, a word of welcome to the excellencies, the distinguished leaders of sister states from our region and continent, as well as to eminent representatives from other friendly nations and international organizations who are gathered here in the vibrant city of Accra, capital of Ghana, to join us on this auspicious occasion. I thank each and every one of you for being present at this inauguration of my second mandate, COVID-19 notwithstanding. Your attendance is an expression of solidarity and friendship that speaks volumes of your attachment to the goals and aspirations of the Ghanaian people and state, for which we are very grateful. I must at the outset express my warm congratulations to my good friend and colleague of many years in this House, the Right Honorable Alban Sumana Kingsford Baldwin, on his assumption of office as the Speaker of the 8th Parliament of the 4th Republic. Nearly 3 decades of devoted service to Parliament by you has culminated in this moment, which has seen your elevation to the 3rd great office of state of our nation. Together, you and I will be chartering new territory in the governance and politics of the 4th Republic. For this is the first time in the life of this Republic that a president from one party will be obliged by the exigencies of the moment and the will of the people to work in all sincerity and cooperation with a Speaker of Parliament from another party. I'm confident that both of us will be guided in our relationship by the supreme interest of our people in ensuring good governance in the ordering of the affairs of state. I want to assure you of my wholehearted determination to work with you to advance the peace, progress, and prosperity of the Ghanaian people. Once again, many congratulations to you and the re-elected and new members of Parliament. A few moments ago, I took for the second time the oath of office to serve as President of the Republic of Ghana. I follow in the exalted footsteps of two of my predecessors, the first and second presidents of the Fourth Republic, Their Excellencies Jerry John Rawlings and John Ajekum Kufuor, who served 2 successive terms in office. I cannot therefore take this honor and privilege bestowed on my mother's self lightly, and I thank Almighty God and the Ghanaian people who by an emphatic margin renewed my mandate in office for 4 more years in the elections of 7th December. It is a demonstration of the confidence and trust you, the Ghanaian people, have reposed in me, not only in appreciation for the achievements chalked throughout my first 4 years, but more significantly, for the considerable amount of work that is to be done over the next 4 years. In our drive to take our nation firmly onto the path of progress, prosperity, and development, following the havoc wreaked by COVID-19. This is a task I wholeheartedly accept, and I assure all Ghanaians that I'll do my best to deliver on this mandate. The accomplishment of this mandate is going to take place within the context of Ghana's maturing democracy. The Ghanaian people have manifested time and again in these 28 years of the Fourth Republic their determination to build a free, democratic, peaceful nation which is respectful of individual liberties and human rights, the rule of law, and the principles of democratic accountability. A governance structure built on the separation of powers provides the best vehicle for the protection of these values, with a well-resourced judiciary and parliament as the principal accountability organs of the state. This has been the main thrust of public policy in these past 4 years, and will continue to be so in the next. The unity and stability of our country are the welcome outcomes of such a development. This is how we can ensure, in the words of one of the great figures of Ghanaian nationalism, the illustrious Joseph Boachier Dankwa, that we have, quote, a system of government under which those who are in control of government are under the control of those who are governed, unquote. Mr. Speaker, the sheer can-do spirit of the Ghanaian, which I have witnessed all my life, is the bedrock on which we can build the Ghana of our dreams. Indeed, 4 years ago at my first inauguration, I urged all Ghanaians to be, and I quote, citizens and not spectators, unquote. I appeal to you to be active participants in the effort to help build the Ghana we want, the democratic, free, prosperous, and united Ghana envisaged by our founding fathers as the Black Star of Africa. In my first term as president, I was able to count on the contribution of all citizens in attempting to create this Ghana. What I have seen these last 4 years is further evidence, if any were needed, that the Ghanaian will no longer accept poverty and deprivation as his or her portion, but is rather determined to work to chart a path of growth and development for himself or herself. Today, our economy, even in the face of the global pandemic of COVID-19, continues to show resilience and a much faster rate of recovery than originally envisaged, and was indeed one of the fastest growing economies in the world in 2020. Ghana remains one of the most attractive destinations on the continent for direct foreign investment, with the presence in the country of some of the world's largest conglomerates attesting to this fact. Establishing a strong economy, undergoing structural transformation to value-added activities, which will generate jobs for our young people and enhance their living standards, will be the main preoccupation of my second term. Together, we're ensuring that the basic tenets of social justice are met. Many said it was beyond us, but we have ensured that financial considerations no longer determine the fate of the Ghanaian child. Because of the implementation of the free senior high school policy, once willing and able, senior high school education is the minimum education to be received by every Ghanaian child. Access to quality health care is no more a luxury ordinary people cannot afford, following the revival of the National Health Insurance Scheme. Our aim is to reach universal health coverage as soon as possible. Food production has increased significantly, and a conscious effort has been made to improve the living standards of our farmers. The newly constructed warehouses dotted across the country are storing the surpluses for export to our neighbors, and the program for planting for food and jobs has become the veritable rock on which the successful future of our agriculture is being built. Our roads are being constructed at a much faster pace than before. And yes, I acknowledge that there are still many more kilometers to construct. We defined last year as the year of roads. This year will be the second year of roads. As we continue with our focus on dealing with the deficit in our road infrastructure, the development of our rail sector, on which considerable resources and energies are being devoted, will open up the country and lead to the creation of a more connected society, and will also help realize the goal of regional and continental integration. The arrival of COVID-19 drove home the lesson to all of us that we have to be self-reliant. The pandemic has emphasized the fact that we cannot continue to be living on edge in a day-to-day economy. This is dangerous for our survival, and it is important that we set up buffers of protection in all aspects of our lives. So when there was a shortage in the supply of personal protective equipment, at a time when they were being sold at extortionist prices on the world market, the enterprise of the Ghanaian shone through. We produced right here in Ghana our own sanitizers, face masks, medical scrubs, gowns, liquid soap, amongst others. We can indeed build a Ghana beyond aid if we make full use, as we must, of the enterprise and ingenuity of our people, especially our young people. The prominent role being played by young people in the digitization journey of our nation is strong proof of the feasibility of this objective. And Ghana is set to become one of the most digitized economies in Africa in the next few years. In this same vein, I expect the locally produced Eku juice, one of the results of government's One District, One Factory flagship policy, to replace rapidly the imported fruit juices on the shelves of our supermarkets, not because anyone will so decree, but because the quality of the locally produced one is as good, if not superior. I doubt, Mr. Speaker, that anyone would ordinarily mention Akweteshi, the local gin, as a possible item on the world market. I cannot vouch for its taste or potency, since I gave up alcohol many years ago. But I can say that the made in Ghana and beautifully packaged Apio I have recently seen can compete in the most sophisticated markets in the world. My boundless confidence in the energy of the Ghanaian makes me believe that we can become the prosperous nation we aspire to, and soon. We have good reason to be proud of what we have been able to achieve so far. Mr. Speaker, we know that the democracy we seek to build and entrench in Ghana will ultimately succeed if we build a prosperous nation and our people are at peace with themselves and with the world. I pledge before this august house and the good people of Ghana that I will do all I do will be for the common good. And with a firm foundation laid in my first term of office, we shall take a significant step towards reducing the infrastructure deficit that has placed us all throughout our nationhood. The remaining 15% of our communities without electricity will be covered by the end of my second term. We have already begun constructing hospitals in the remaining districts that do not have one.
OTEC 102.9 FM.
Within the year. The percentage of Ghanaians without access to potable water is set to reduce significantly following the commencement of work on a number of water supply projects across all parts of the country. The majority of our people live in unacceptable housing, and we shall tackle the problem with vigor. With discipline and caution, just as we have done since March 2020, we in Ghana can continue to reduce the number of active cases of COVID-19, which currently stands at a little over 900, and open up our country again to the rest of the region, continent, and the entire world. We have taken the bold step of reopening all our schools again because our fundamental conviction that education is the key to our future. We will do everything possible to ensure not only the safety of the children, but of teachers and non-teaching staff as well. We Ghanaians have always been very much aware of our place in our neighborhood, in our continent, and in the world. We recognize that poverty and insecurity plague our region, and thus we shall continue to make our voice carry the weight of our convictions and contribute to making our world a safer and happier place. We shall play our full part in the deliberations and activities of all the organizations to which we belong: ECOWAS, the African Union, Commonwealth, the Francophonie, the United Nations, and others. Ghana, which has the privilege of hosting the Secretariat of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, intends to be one of the main drivers of its success. The AFCFTA provides us Africans with a great opportunity to exploit and develop our resources for the benefit of our own people and end the centuries-old exploitation of our continent's vast wealth for the benefit of others. In the words of the historic first leader of our nation, the celebrated Kwame Nkrumah, and I quote, "It is clear that we must find an African solution to our problems, and that this can only be found in African unity. Divided we are weak. United, Africa could become one of the greatest forces for good in the world, unquote. To my fellow Ghanaians, I invite all of you to join in the exciting business of developing our country. There are endless opportunities if we remain united. What our forebears dreamed of, we will achieve. If we inherited dreams and visions from our founding fathers, we should leave legacies of achievements and realities to our children and their children. For I believe in the limitless prospects of Ghana and of us, her people. So let us be up and doing, and with faith in the Almighty, seize our destiny. Mr. Speaker, may God bless us all in our homeland, Ghana, and make her great and strong. Your Excellencies, once again, Akwaba, I thank you for your attention.
Okay, enti eno ye Ghana mampanyini Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo na yesu ni in ewie ya no nanu disam ene ensem hodo esefata se ode eto edwa no ode ato yanim no na kaihya ne nso se akoso agye wa akode wa ha ensem ni nyina no ode beba twi ode beba na yenso ya tibi Speaker of Parliament.
The House. And on my own behalf, 102.9 FM. I sincerely thank you for your inaugural address. I also wish you and the Vice President well in the administration of the country. Honorable members, having listened to His Excellency the President, I think the main item is over, and I want any indication from the leaders of the House.
OTEC 102.9 FM.
I see the honorable member for Swame constituency, Honorable Oseche Mensa Bonsu. Any indication?
Speaker, today, Thursday, the 7th of January, has been a very momentous occasion. We have had to elect the Speaker of Parliament and his two deputies for the 8th Parliament. In turn, the Speaker has also had to swear in members of Parliament elect. Then, as we find ourselves in the tent now, we've witnessed the swearing in of His Excellency the President and his Vice President. The President and indeed Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. The day has been long, arduous, tortuous, and indeed rather labyrinthine. For the newly sworn in members of Parliament, the day began yesterday before 11 p.m., which means that they have had to endure almost 15 hours since yesterday without blinking our eyes. Mr. Speaker, there is a lot of wisdom in beginning the swearing-in process soon after midnight, and the events of today bear ample testimony in the wisdom contained in this exercise. The speakers have said there has not been any indication from you about the extension of the sitting. And that being the case, I believe any member at any time stated for the closing may move for adjournment of the House as provided for by our orders, Order 44. In the circumstance, and given the discussions that we had this morning, that is between myself and the Honorable Haruna Idrisu, may I move that the House takes an adjournment until Friday next week at 10 o'clock in the forenoon. Speaker, I do so move.
Honorable members, the motion has been moved for adjournment of the House. Any seconder?
Right, Honorable Speaker. I beg to second the motion.
Honorable members, motion for the adjournment of the House moved and seconded is now for the consideration of the House. There being no consideration, I put the question. Those in favor for adjournment, say aye. Aye. Those against, say no. The ayes have it. Honorable members,
OTEC 102.9 FM.
I won't want to prolong your long dry fast. I have myself fasted more than I've ever done.
Okay, enti eno ye speaker eno ochire se ontwentwen neoma so we so no kra no wachene ne yam kom se ne da bia wonkyere ne yam kom se de wachene se bi da enti ontwentwen neoma so sene yewura osechi mensa bonso swame MP say na ye den
and we've just
say obeka say we majority or minority day and the great man
first speaker no be address say
majority yeah sure
we are not a minority
sure
but this time minim the ABCD also no one so I can see the honorable member of Swami honorable chairman Sabusu any indication nti any first na Krobea na clear
mpacho mamma ni
just a few minutes.
OTEC 102.9 FM.
What is a request I cannot turn down. We are being called upon to give an opportunity to one of our visiting dignitaries to at least say a word or two of gratitude to His Excellency the President. This is the request, and I'm told it's coming from the highest office. And so, with your kind indulgence, may I invite His Excellency Professor Alpha Conde to say a few words of thanks in response to the address, inaugural address of His Excellency, the President of Ghana. Your Excellency, you may proceed to the podium.
Okay, until requested by Sir Empanyumfua Eba Yano Yama Emubi Emekasa Enti say Ira Alpha Conde and Yatonsa Speaker Tonsa Freno or Chesa request no or turning it down when ye.
Okay. Un grand honneur pour nous d'assister à la présentation de serment de notre frère et ami président Nana Addo. D'autant plus que nous n'oublions pas le rôle qu'a joué le président Nkrumah. Tout ce qu'il a dit, c'est vérifié. Il a dit, si l'Afrique ne s'unit pas, voilà ce qui va arriver. Et tout ce qu'il a prédit est arrivé. Donc c'est une grande fierté pour nous de nous retrouver au Ghana. Et nous remercions tous les chefs d'État qui se sont déplacés pour rendre hommage à notre frère. Et nous savons que sous sa direction, le Ghana va faire des pas de géant. Et le peuple ghanéen peut compter sur l'ensemble des chefs d'État de la CEDEAO et de l'Union africaine pour accompagner notre frère pour le mieux et pour le bonheur du peuple du Ghana. Je vous remercie.
Okay.
Your Excellency,
you Alpha Conde, we kind of French.
Professor Alpha Conde, on behalf of the House, we want to thank you so much for the words of congratulations.
OTEC 102.9 FM.
I started revising my French notes, and I think I got a few words of what you said. We thank you so much. Honorable members, I'll have to put the question again. Those in favor of an adjournment of the House, say aye. Those against, say no. The ayes have it. The House is accordingly adjourned to Friday, the 15th day of January at 10 in the forenoon. The House is adjourned.
Okay, and say ya ka say Ghana ya national anthem no na ote ya no emprimprin senior speaker eka ya no yewura osechi men sabon susuame marahye bedwani ebe gito mu se of waso se yentu parliament in sheda next week is a china na awotwe na yewura afenyo markens enso eba befo aso enti speaker etoman asemisa se mo a mo support no monka Uganda I no enti I for no eni nya enti sabre ya ye ka say parliament ya jene e kire se Nyankopon ya adom a bosumi ye wo mi de to so dunum January 15th enna emra shebedwa no omo ebesan aba Yura Alpha Conde hohwa wo ba ye besra ye no the great man now pese o can be ansa na pa kosia ho request by ansa na ye ma Yura Alpha Conde
na minim say ye program e ti say ya ye program
line up
we Beba e be a chairman of the occasion say e be at this time me fa chairman of the occasion kra na yeah, the Asem say at least president a man inaugural speech we are one of the invitees no wedding carbon and mania dada on also the no December representative omo from on the by ni nyina no also the no December betudwa but we there minim say a right honorable speaker na e bofa na ni so and I say omo anye program line up am na nkuta and I say omo ye omo hihye adwumadie no Oman for BBC Anshim request and one at the buy. I think say with the Ikakrana and Nipan Krabeka Sayano or Beka French. In most situations, so Beka French now there should be an English voice in the background. Now can also translate it or interpret it about Brofuma and some Alpha Conde Kai. Emudu say na apart from ye Mubika Krab. Ne mudu do say nipa do ne osi de hey
me man tehwe
yeah no bia no say na bia
any twetwe ma ye ne
oh yeah no apart from here no me ade na man for French you bia
the great man twetwe ma ye ne
I think say last kakra bi ebem no bet se ne ye no krokrowa kakra bi perfefa
very nice
ye be boka
kakra
bi save money no for some other important activities ekoso oman break ekwe no Independence Square aka aponko ebedi ehim we party supporters mo many soroku ombetwie ani ade nyina and I think say something symbolic
yeah sure
we na first time om de aba parliament animu ho me de me insist say
them fan go inside
ebia when COVID-19 no they needed an open space and no problem
okay
but them fan go inside bibi kakra bi akra etina say how many minutes
oh yeah
bibi kakra bi oh na anytime be sky na you spend on and you ma be atete say no na yetimi ate so
okay no ye the great Santiago ena mwatene nka no akoso je wa kode wa ha ene mrahye bedwam sene ekoye no mampanyini bra odin siwie ye no ne nsemo a woka ye no akosua de bebatwi ama amanfo nso ate ase wo bebo dwumadie ne kura nyina tofa no de mampanyini de na befoa so de amame na mesremo me ma obanfo adwuma ye ene ewo dwumadie yi so mesrewo obi de aba bedan yen ekuo bi ehia omanfo ene wonu aye adwuma animu ya mesrew se owo emfie edunwotwe ekosi emfie aduonunum 18 years to 25 years ye peman kanka na wo yoba between 18 and 25 years 18 and 25 years wo se nipa kro no ote within Kumasi metropolis yimu na wa ye krado se wo be ye full time worker animu ya ye pew ne ne wa ye adwuma enti je sa number we na fresi a number ne ye 020 578 6722 020 578 6722 offers our number we ya wo beje so na onewo akasa agozi aje wa akode
akra
okay fama mpanyini kasa ne bretwi native fontibi
yo medase awusuafo de mampanyini eka ye no ena ye besanso adane mu dia batwi kasa mu ede amamu na mampanyini so afena mu ya wo so awie ye ne kasa kora ya odija Ghana de hye no mo ne aban panyimfo a wo mo de mo chitaye eba beta adwumadi no achi no emu bi enie mampanyini shasia no wodinkan bobo amaman panyimfo ahodo bi a won mo ba ye edin eno achi no mampanyini ekire se woda se pa se wo mo de omani munyam won mo chitaye ne nyina ba beta akire emfa woni covid-19 yade ne asie ewo wiase afa na nyina won mo anhweso se bi a covid-19 no won mo ntumi ma ne mom ne nyina no wo mo jade na won mo ye wo mo dwumadie ne ade wo ma se wo ma da je ba betena Ghana na wo mo so wo mo ba behwe wo mo de mani nyam eba betechira na se eyayiko ena mampanyi edema wonum wo wie ya pa no ena right honorable yira alban baben so wo mani tinkwansem wo se woda se pa na we no kura no eye na nige sanse enu ana papa enu wo kwa akoda na wonye speaker wo babia ena de chinye wo ye speaker of parliament na se eye nige sem na se wo hwe Ghana yabakwasemu a wo se binsi da we de di kan a yenya mampanyini ya wo amanyokuo bi afa na speaker of parliament nso ewo amanyokuo fufuro afam na se we no kura no wohwemu akwan a enfie nan ye di anim amamuo no nioma besi bia kɔ ho totoye ne ade be ye ni kasem sanse binsi da saa no Ghana abakwasemu na mampanyini fira amanyokuo fufuro mu na speaker nso firi amanyokuo fufuro mu no na se enioma bekɔ yie ewo mrahwebedofie na so ni nyina mu no mampanyini kyerɛ se we no kura no yehwɛ hunu se Ghana beti kan enye se bia mampanyini firi amanyokuo fufuro mu speaker firi amanyokuo fufuro mu ntino ye mapese minkum nya ade ne ade ade anim ye mama Ghana eni kan Ghana botaye entumi entoso se ne be ye betumi abo ma hyehyɛ no atumi akɔyie ebiem wo kyerɛ se wo hwɛ covid-19 yade no a seni esibi ba no Ghana ye economy no yatoto nioma pa ye dwadie mu nsem ya kwoma bosam enioma atumi akoyi obetumi akase Ghana ye the fastest growing economy ya kyese bibia mu no ye ntumi entoto na se ewo kwan bia so na we no ba wasanso ababiem empremie no mampanye se wobehwe no economy no atumi agina se kwan ye befa so ebebie enwuma ewo Ghana mamu no eno eye ne botaye kese a wafa ade ato ne ho so ebiem wokyire mu se ba wabai ni mpre no so yi a yede ne se akonya so yi ade e frɛ ne se nokwaredie pepepe yo wobɛhwɛ ama no ayɛ adwuma enye se bia yeyi no se mampanyini na we no a woba betwa term we no wonsan so nkɔbie mu ntino na woba ba fum sika nyafunyafu woba ba ye de ono ankasa wopɛ na mmom no wobɛhwɛ se Ghana yie yo Ghana nkoso Ghana fa hodie ne kama menka bia mamu na yehwehwɛ no eno ebetumi akoso yie pa mampanyini firi wopɛ no oba suku ahodo mu na wɔkyerɛ se wo hwɛ free senior high no a wɔde ba ye no a anokwa bibia aboa enioma atumi akoyie na wɔhwɛ ne mu se Ghana ne second term yi krampo a yekoyi akora bia nko school kura no na wonia free senior high yi SHS de na wɔhwie bi wose eno ne botaye kase pa esine ni so efa school ho ensemu enti wonia wanko school kra no ewo se senior high de wutumi wie bi ema no yeji eno ochi ni wo kyerɛ sɛ oman Ghana ye ngomasua no wo bese bedroom rebi no ewiase afa na nyina kyese ye ka engomasua wo man Ghana ye ntumi nka na ye nyie mfrim apomden won nsam so saa eno nti na apomden si achi ba no won ma hwɛ toto nioma eka hodo honom won ma hyase etuatua sane ye bɛyɛ anei nipa bi yade no de apomden si achi ba no kwa yaresa bia wonia enioma enkwa achewachewo emfa emano afa yeba eyenuane ho planting for food and jobs Ghana mampanye ekasa edefa ho wo kyerɛ se enei sa dwumadie no a wodi kan betena akonya so wode ba ye eye planting for food and jobs no anokwa ababa bua pa wutimi se Ghana ntwono ne ntwada hodo so enuane ahyase a ebubuo ba bia enuane wo ho yetumi krampo krabi ede kwa monone na esa nokwa wo man Ghana yayade ye mfa seda ne mo no nko na umye de maseda no ye de mani pamu ni nyina ya iwo mayimu empanyifo omugisi wo mu nanso so mbehwa ma se adwumadi yakoso no wo mu nyina se fata se aseda ne bi ekode ma wonom na wo se wo hwa akwan a afia etwa mu 2020 no mampanyini wakasa ye ekire se eye year of rose na se eye akwan afi anokwa yankase de ani kwatwa resi ehunu bi se akwan no nyina no yahase a ye contractors obi akogu so no ye na fam de ye nwie na afi no ye de twasi ye afi we so yasan so aba no eno so ye second year of rose na se akwan no ene ntoso mienu ena ye ba beye ba bia ya won manwie nyina na mampanyini kire se won ba ba hyase na won magugu so sane ye ba ya fi Ghana ya kwan ba bia kota ebeko ho afi wo hwe COVID-19 yade no a Ghana mampanyi kasare fa ho pa nyame anim na wo kire se yade na ba ye no akire ye nyansa bi akire ye suahunu bi ye wo se Ghana ye fatu ye ho so se enye se bia yade baba nko na wose ye boy ho ban na mmom no yade no nyamae na wose ye boaboa ye ho ye siesie ye ho de twan se dan kwa ma bibia to ye bia no a ye betumi aye ahoboa na ye de sisa de na no kwan na wabra COVID-19 yade eba ye nso no Ghana ye anka se ye tumi fato ye ho so ewom se ye kra nneoma bi de free ewomanfo kro so bi se nose mask de na so ye anka se ye tumi ye de sanitizer si ye bi nose mask ye bi na afi kura wo kwa yaresa bia adokotafo ntade ahodo a wo mu hihye eno so telafo won mo dom ye pa wo mo ye dodo no ade begu mu magana ebui ba bia ba fa bia ne 11 cedi na ye tonton wo eno so ayade a wo kan wo baba so se yayade e ho wo se wo so wo se yekosoa na ye to so edi sa adwuma no esanse wo hunu se ayade a ebebo o man Ghana se yetumi boy ho ban yankase ye resources aye wo no yetumi de ye adwuma ema no eyeye afei wo ba digitization emu wose ye hwe ni mu se mfie miensa de ani mu de kro no Ghana economy no bibia be digitize eni aba fonten fidie so ne nam so computer ne didi dwuma se ne be ya ebetumi aboa ye ama ye nneoma atumi akoye mampanyini se wakantam din se wo mayi mu ade afa no se asomdwe de won to na se kura ewo Ghana ememu na obehwe hu se asomdwe mapa ebetumi akoso enfa hu ni de besie ewom se mentem ho ase beba ewo manfo bi no nte won ho ase de na so ni nyina mu no akwakoye mampanyini a wodi Ghana fo nyina ni mu no wobehwe se asomdwe ebetumi akoso ebiem mrashibjafo ya won mo so aba 8th parliament ya won mo ba behye won madwuma si mampanyini fa sa akonya no so ebo won maba so kire se won maba won montena se won mama ye adwuma pa won mfa akoma pa maso man Ghana no mo hwe hu se de on beye bia no Ghana ye yo ebetumi adi nkan na mampanyini kire se fellow Ghanaians ene no se sia no enye se bia won wankasa wode no hunti wo ba be de opɛ na mmomu no mampanyina wo ma betena Ghana akonya sokɔ wo ma na momu no wotietia ebi te se kane mampanyi owura John Ajekumkofo oboni din na wo kire se papa no betena akonya so no wotwa eye 2 terms ebia na wono na ado wono so ba yei wo ba betwa na se eye won ma na momu no wahyase a wotietia ne kakra woda se pa se Ghana fo ahokyere bebrebe ekoso COVID-19 yade ba ye nyina achi no yetumi koto Asante ne to abade ma no ne ya hyem kena se mfie nan wansan so emesom Ghana we nyina kyese Ghana fo ewoni mugidie ye wa rehyemu se ba waba no mfie nan ya wode abai wo ba besom man Ghana yie ye wode akomapa enu dwumadie pa na eba wo se se dwumadie ye omanfo de ahye ne nsei eya asodie kese okun kese eno man dia manoa brofo kasem ye ban kan se a huge task na mo ni nyina mu no obeye di obetumi eno ne ade edi kan mampanyini so obeye di obetumi bia sane ye beya botayenti a Ghana ye sanso to abama ne biem ye de dwumadie ne hye ne nsa ye de afena asanso ama ne biem ama ne swai no obehwese sa dwumadie ne ebetumi adim na fe kema menka bia mamuo ene asumdwe a wo man Ghana ye hwehwe no eno so atumi akoso na mmom sere manfo nyina se yamfa kroye yamfa baakoye yamfa yeyo anya dwuma sane ye beya wo mayi mu ye na no mogya won mo hwiegu ho emre bia atwam no ebetumi akoso na dodankwa akufuado fellow Ghanaians wasanso atimu biem wo se efie nan bia atwam a Ghana foto aba edema no eye 2016 no wabra wo so afena mu a wo swai wo ka bibi wo se ma Ghana fo ma yenye eye spectators me ya hwefo kwa na mmomu no yenya Ghana fo a ye betumi aye adwuma pa se bibi koso wo mamu na nya ye betumi asekire yese aduasa mienu na yakasa adietia sa asem no enema mpanyini sanso atimu biem akaye ya wo kire se no so wo hwe Ghana fo anim se ye betumi aye ne saa waba one district one factory dwumadie so eye fidwuma Ghana mampanyi kasa edefa ho na eho no baba kire mu se nyame anim sa dwumadie no a woba ye betena akonya so mfinhia nan a wo manfo no de afena hye ne nsa oba be ye no akoso yie pa na wono ankasa na hohoahoa se enei ewuhwe free juice ahodo a Ghana yankasa ye produce yade no a na eyani kasam eyani gisem edomo mayi nyina na we no wo hyebo ekantam edinse se ne second term yi a wobei no ebeye mfaso twitwiri die ede ama Ghana de hye bia ni pabibre bia wo Ghana memo bia no wo bia benya ne so mfaso ama no ayeye emfa woni party a wo no wo se won de waba ma obia ebiem Ghana mampanyini sanso timu enyinam ahoden so wo se miamia ahodo bu won ma wo hunu se enyinam nkane eni ho na ne second term yi a wobei wo beye de obetu bia ede aboa se ne ebeye asa miamia ahodo no so no enyinam nkane ebetumi akọ afem ya yahodro bia won madan enuoma ntumi nkọ yie bi mutiti mpatadan mu ni ade enua na ehyehye na bi dwiri ni ade no eno so obehwe se won betumi aye yenie afem so wose won mu si gina ye kese ene agina ye kese ahodro bia ye siye na ede bia yesuku ahodro no wobehwe na afem so no wo sha awofo no bo se suku ya ye bia anfa won covid-19 yade esuku fo no nyina no ye bebo won ho ban akyerkyerefo won mo kwa akọkyera de ene won mo kwakọ no anuane ene won mo no teaching staffs nyina won so ebehwe aye bi ede aboa mampanyine de na no di sem ebawie no ena wo kyerɛ sɛ Ghana nyina yanka mom edumre be na se ere fie ho a yanka hunu sɛ ye nipa baako moja ko honam ko eno ne ade ebetumi abo man Ghana am ye fa hodie ne kebima menka bia mamu no atumi akoso nyame nhira ye nyina nyame nhira me ahwe gya foforo a wonom aba na won ba bebu o man ye emfinhia nan nyame nhira man Ghana na won nhira ye ema no moro so weni nsɛm a Ghana man panyin na dodanko a akufu ado Ghana foto abadema no emfinhia nan ye die anim wosan so beto so no ene wabro so afenam esuaye ensema hodo amampanyine ebo so ena mabono tofa ede amamono akora
mo yada se
asampayetia obayansafo so wo bunibia won kana asam te mafutu sam kakre wa supeme yo kofi oh my ya woman oh mani ya mama yenyi baby ako watata ya wareni wonsom wanyinyi pa asade pa wo fioye demo yembera ye ebe ya ifina oh my ya woman oh my ya mama na ati wa ya no ya nyamitata ya mana renya wonsom wanyinyi pa sawa ya wana be demo yembera ye ebe ya ifina wonsom wanyinyi pa asade pa wo fioye demo yembera ye ebe ya ifina.
Okay, sir, omaino ebeye ya ifri yenara obia ni babia se wo be free ne maimu aba abeye oman Ghana yie ede amaye imprempren ya ye ka se mpanyimfo no efri hona ye kọ yensanjuro ni Charles Nyamadi Mensa na nkyɛn na kura ade ni nyina ba na wi ye no ne kura we ground to be nka se minority o se majority o ndika NDC for onomo ama na onomo ama bi foforo bi a ababia no obema yate Nyamadi akwa ababio
ya mi to so
okay say yasie in mampanyini na be de akire wie mampanyini akasa empanyimfo e ba ye yewura Alpha Conde ononso akasa ne kura ma yehunu de ekoso de enwie
yo amne de ase a o kai no na no atimi abawiye ewo ahanu se a medical e ma sana pa bi sam na me ma yete for mu to 102.9 enya ne se sa pe ne te o hanu sam le utie background na se o mampanyi ya wo ma address ade so at the second time I juma abo ma Ghana for second time no was the second time no years of road no e kwa ne be yimi bebre e kwa ne o se be yimi bebre how be na COVID-19 yale so a ehu asem no o mo de ase be ku na yetimi ama no abrase kra awo omamu na school e free business no e be ka se mu kena me bia na timi akoyie mi go ni ka se samle no bibia akọ eyeye wo ha wo hwe asrafo ho ba no amre omu agi ni ma omu ko ja mampanyi kwan edi na akọ frasa house oni na bede chire any speaker of parliament omu nyina no move a omu ekọ na wo hwe hanom a ha efefe mi mfese makasa bi alaji alisa ewa mi nche ha aja ayekaza aswase dia na aswase dia ene bia na brebi eche nwoko gina wo TV South a akọ pena eso anyeye na still 2024 ebia wo say unity biom ya nya no ene ba chinto onabo yemo akọ baba otek 1.9 otek for meji muso bitim nka che na mo to say nya nya mi ado na ene ceremony na kasa ufikumazeba na uhuni say ubetima apomu to fa kaka mai me say the medical charity for Kumasi, especially Asante constituency for ni MC Alaja Ali ni chama MD Moro ni na omo etitafo nyina mama I'm in my life this is the first time my experience aminya bida and I even think every young man who ambition to become a member of parliament the anka sorry I once I will come to parliament and learn certain things on say you do be near wa montia ni efishe bia power na ni ekuta no e betimi aye ne ye pe but uba enu ade esi wa parliament na aye futuo kase dia mamfo mutuo mo discussing said your meye o mabrabo no otumu se constitution aye fishe bia constitution no na ya powerful no yes constitution powerful ba uba parliament otumu so mo standing order o mo di parliament ejima standing order no and no African constitution na ba ye it is standing order no e ko fa no mo be ba e say e clearly say who the speaker of parliament e paya e se to aba said the Ghana football na ba di ye be no aba to de ma me kro na ka say me mouse kana me ne me ko papa e ko to aba no say omu me ni nya ba betimi asai na tese scanner ball enti outcome of abato no e kire say ye before ye sorry aye blame delegate so omu nya de say de nya delegate o ye MPs for na de humble but MP no adimo hia more for a fan base MP sir a member of parliament o man to aba ama ye candidate no no mo ko to ma I was speaker no mo no mo ko to ma Albambabe first argument since no na mo parliament we move and eat the first argument was the member of parliament awanya court injunction say put me to aba because court ama order say uniwa. That was when I know, say, in parliament, almost standing order, it will overrule sad. But you are responsible to everything over here. And no, put Musa this for no muchina. I didn't know muchina. About fear, baby, I was sick. And say, I have learned it and experience. But no one said, I'm on your custom, Kwana, Kwadebia, Siana, Mission, to say, no, met me at baby, constitutional margin or no, they are fine. I said, in your parliamentary rules, let me a day. Let me see, I said, I am ready a day. It's me, but I don't care after the parliament. Now, minority for 18 years, sorry, of the president. I said, okay, I said, I can't say. So you didn't show Mumba. As a citizen of the country, I feel so bad, say, I'm a minority and no better to for some Mumba. As a so more, and here, no, they hear more. Speak on a normal pay. Speaker also, nobody may know.
Okay.
Because Speaker of Parliament cannot overrule anything. But
Nyamadi
take a collaboration to build the nation. Yeah, you're cooperative. You're cooperative. I could for the person with me. But also, I'm not going to be in front of what say. We are cooped the real. We didn't want to cry one out to move on it. But what did you say? Workers over here, year of road. Workers over poor education. Over more, nobody. I am the best he can do to help Ghana, especially Asante mine. The media, every day, that's when I do. Me brano, I never. But you may speaker now, mine, your buyer so. One of you speaker or a Ghanaian, one of you citizen of the country. He deserves to rule parliament. It's in a nation, now, your member is mediano. And Koso said, yeah, Mubomu, whom did the out tech. Now, Malcolm, as a 14 year Koso. we have constitution and we have standing orders in parliament. So those standing orders, and a man for him, who thinks a constitution can overrule him. In parliament, constitution can't overrule him. You are shy. And the Madam Massey. So, some like the Madam Massey. Some Oban wa bibia akọ ewiye
good good
yes people from people no
obi eko
for omni president e ba ko to ensa xd jam no ba no wa bibia ay over that oba Ghana mremu no say anya president aka say ni vice yenya ti bibia okay e wo hanu a bibia dada me
enti nyamadie ansa na meja wo kurakura no sisu pomame NDC fo ama meboa.
What's it?
Mama, oh mama.
Say, oh, my class on Boko a yeno, Sabapen, a yena says, oh, Muna, Yenasia, or more Yenasia, or more shady airport because of Mose, or more a batona, a bomb, a tuno, a or more, let's say, or more party, some of them, they are party members, no, they are say, a ne, or more Siano, or more Awufosum, or a year I was so kind, sent some of that. Party many any member of parliament apart from say speaker and Juma would or Juma say on mine no on mine to speaker no Juma speaker no Juma on mine to no party meeting say on mine Juma no way there's original as MC no what some me Edina Nadu Ejakunya no one was na I'm on the farm about NDC I to make PMU TV no so you another obepimu Medina so former sports minister UT Mensa former member of parliament Oningo Pram also on the other PMU Medina on the pa or free make my say oh me who as NDC near I can speak and one or move back to Medina piano et me concanti prepare them minority for NDC for no bien one leadership any member to get no take him out to Medina.
Mo yada say anyway dwuma pa onso wa bre enti ko pensio bi na fa hohoro wo ho atiefo eno ye nyamadi mensa yanam senior crash no abodwuma pa ene ye ko ho a ye kokotie no. Okay, the great man so far NDC MPs almost omo koye ufo som omo koye yenti omamba
akra say
yamfa no nwie
se bibi ebeye ade a enye wo man mu a na se ye nyina ye ntimi anka se enye a ebe siasa sibim oh me ka say kire ekọ nkwofuko we honoma their members feel happy yenko ya ma nkọ enye hwe okay mi wa ade nye next time na akodi the other side yenso yenko eya akoye medical onti ase akokot si yan hwe ya afibia ebeye medical onti ase akokot
emfie na bia
ahwe asa na be enti se utranye na ukonya isi ni bia commissioner bia ono no I mean one hwe akonya commissioner bia obefa 1 million no dey account bi hos medical won't ase akokot enti se ne maybe cost wa na o se exhaustive process o se exhaustive process o se sa dey we na NDC for anko no mamen kai BBC story range we 7th January 2013 it's 7th January 2013 no na yede omampani
dada
John
Mama
to the rally we BBC report
okay
was the Ghana's main opposition party has boycotted the swearing-in ceremony of President John Mahama following last month's disputed election. The New Patriotic Party said Mr. Mahama won the election fraudulently.
I know you're 2013. January 7th.
Another date, babe.
2021. January 7th.
It is our time. Na obi NDC niya. Onu fi say mumma munyai nyamo kwana Ghana yemu dia ya to abana ya wini muma munya ya Maria ena mpeni ampa former president John Dramani Mahama on the NDC for the enijie ekoye swearing in na MPP for edi arewo say abatoɔ no fraudulent in wemu abam omo de court nti omo ma inauguration ase
Asem
nti loto Accra
Yampofu.
We
third
plan the fourth plan near there.
I'm for you to ato.
Ushisha sanity. Oh, Ushisha. Some of these things no. And unti also akwa ba abisi. Yatu aba. Nana do danko akufuado electoral commissioner boni di warene. And na ye inauguration. Meboa. NDC for ya almost say about 1 year flood, fraudulent. So they cannot be part of about 1 year flood enya papa. Yedi winner nisi, they cannot be part. And no mama. And you invite a man for no maba. Other political party no here, you show ma you home. See the idea nijia yo. Yedi nijia ye. Ya boy and say what ye man peniyesi so. I don't know na ye reoccurring. And I think say enya de say eboa.
Okay.
Enya de say eboa. Even though bibia nchichiro search nchina brane ade no. Going forward, I think some of these things and an earlier na make us say issues relating to boycott no. I feel minim odu ani bua minim the nature of boycott a.
Ebe course of parliament.
What I say because even though Oma pass private member betimi bill aba any betimi bibia ba ne de keka ho no. In most cases ne free man pani aso e na eba. Iti ade ne free man pani aso e be ba de be na MPP for I boycott. Say if I say all the speaker no cry NDC ni na speaker no cry tend to be biased. Still MPP for cannot boycott. Will NDC boycott? And at this time, so here you benya more situations of yenye secret ballot. That are the beer, that are the ninano, yes, have it. Those who are in favor of the motion say yes, have it. Now, minority for the before PA say speaker no bias near day. Today, who is majority and who is minority? And then this foreigner say, omo person omo force to agree to Mr. Speaker, can we go into secret ballot? Omo secret ballot no ma who say omo numbers no dey omo beto no mo dey cancel at them.
Okay.
And we should not forget. Emrane Samo Mampeni kwa say we appointed majority of the ministers every mrashebe befim. Until in most cases no obetimi enya NDC for now all things being cool omo nyina abe ho.
Omo doso e wo mrashebe genimu.
But mo musa akwaye government business no. Ebia Ministry of Foreign Affairs na mo ne Mampeni to kwa China. Ebia wo Ministry of Trade, ebia osa uko Italy where some negotiation. Ebia osa uko Mali na uko ye adwuma and Ghana hakra na osa Minister of Agric osa uko ye lanchi bibi wo ntimi ameduru ni ade. Enti anhwe ya mo na mako short to members of parliament.
No.
Akoye mo short to members, mo short to parliament anhwe ya ndis for no e ma ye ni no omo hwa ye ntoaba.
Dear radio obedi nkodem.
Ye to obabi a obedi obelidu. We na mami gina so aka say.
Okay.
Eduru time bia akra. O say nipa nim bi ho no ma. Omo hwe omo kasayem. Ene omo posture ye. In communication. You saying a good communicator, nipa o a communicator papa no. Enye obi o wisa brofo. Ene enye obi a o ka asema esisi sonko adabi. A good communicator is the one who understands the implication of his actions. Asem no be kan oti ase say nsusuanso na ebeba no oti nsusuanso no so ase.
Okay.
Enti akra say oti nsusuanso na ebeba no ase a na unim say nsusuanso bone na ebeba quickly na a reshape.
Sure.
Asem na opese wo kan.
Good.
And ye na opese wo da na di no na a reshape. Hwe John Buadu. John Boadu na MPP
secretary.
Me nim what to be going through his mind now. From ransom ne ba fine. nanado na mu kra no kan so ntim no bi nya adwuma fine
oh yeah independent
but now we share the tone and the posture John Bodu de kasafa from na MP no ho today where is the from na MP even though nipa ade na nipa ne ye no adamatia moment no na according to the party na e bone what me handle no but the kwan obefa so aka no posture re amampani dada John Dramani Mahama o take decisions bebre ho no ma ka onye din o de wa take decision din training allowance no watwam ametwam yidin na wo sa go ahead to say ade wi ametwam yi se no kra de be mama lose power kra
maye
Asem Beba Dabi.
Etu do say eno na wo de be ka ho no na ama asem no I take different dimension
atomu nchina bro
se no nti na melusu election kra na metwem he apart from na nsem na John Bodu kikan ye no ayi beto abeya speaker ye John Bodu say NDC for na mbro mo ase they risked the opportunity of losing the second deputies. They risked the opportunities. Akra na me ya analysis ni say we should the way ya numbers ni be ho na or say MPP for no omo no HC NDC for no for negotiations or say MPP for no mum na ko mu chase NDC for no na omo no me consultations muna mo ye executive muna mo win presidency no muna adwuma Ghana adwuma no dodo na no beba abesimu so muna mudi Ghana nim ebe ye nhyehyɛ ne ntotoye etimi de me gidi say or seka MPP for no efa kwan bi so ne NDC for no move a lot into discussions
boa me obi a owo fia o tie yen sabre enioma bi go through na dwen mu sa emrahye bedwam abayi ekoto yekoyi speaker eye enkunimdie mabi ene ye nkukuo mabi ana
okay two things obi onuma o MPP ni de oti ye ne say MPP ni NDC for bi to aba NDC ni na lusu enti ene ya one side and obi so ye NDC ni and oti say ye say Bamba Bene Professor Michael Kwei NDC versus MPP ene ato aba na NDC ni na win nti on de na ni age what the tune chen symbolically it shows in fact one of the network no ka say MPs ni bi o gallery ho e kire ho no esu o si bi musu
wow
e bi mo ya adan na be bi mo ya it shows how strong your party is and sa kire say party ni nyina so no emu ede foundation ni mo ede party ni foundation mo ede se no obi fi say bia NDC party no ahode kofoma we no ebe man this for nyina so ne ahode bi ma omo de akasa and look at how they were behaving yes also mo behave as such they were behaving as such because 137 enti some level of arrogance as a pride bi kakra bi obechire on say
men so be wo
ono so ho symbolic oh you talk about when they win the presidency you see MPP candidates Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo oh parliament you see figures no APU na ede no mi choose you see NDC for nyai enti na mama sanka we say it does not necessarily mean say you nyai na NDC ni enti de aban no de beba bia no obebo good
entisa parliament ne mra ne nkyeresa
na emom no anka first na bia MPP for 169 almost certificate of emergency no mo de aba no mo de bibia ba na minority for buafu no ma pie ko quickly no ma sensan ne abaji atum enu bi de bi ntimi ko what you say
afi we beyere
enu bi ntimi ko so biem na NDC for no hwa na say ade na efiri omampania so ye de ba no fine eba magana nyina na emom ya ade a omo betimi agina so de akoye political campaign ade obi de beji political fans or be score political points more than probably send the no be fi sa ade na national dia obo se no so omo be huru ho sa because yenyaji too mad kwa de be political campaign the me hopi house yen na hopi ni say sa die we ni God sent say ka say gidi fo gidi say o man na dru ba bia nyame na bam no said that jeni say man
nyame ama
nyame ama na we ni be boa ma afi de ye nyina ye benyanka bom ne ya dwen o man ho ye the policy bi ba ye nyina na ye dwen ho se ne papa mu a ye the program bi ba ye the project bi ba gidi fo e wo sa gidi.
Okay, let us say no ye the great man Santiago nyankopon hira o ene waboa show de pa. God bless you. And
about chat with the cramp of baby out chat with you.
Oh, okay. Okay. And I don't know, Sharon, so sir, presidential inauguration, yeah. Yadebra we what Dawood Scientific Herbal Hospital for and then yeah, ayehu Asem Beba Dabi presidential inauguration. Yeah, parliament yehu. If you know parliament yehu sa blows to tour. Yeah, shibi. Hey, Carlos, I am glad about this time. So, because we who say MP Bako, Aquano or say Suhiniana, or Timrika, or do I yet say the blue pow? Hey, Adiway, na ye hubi, ewo, a my binomoso. Now, so Yansusuda, say be bet me, yes, you are my Ghana, she said, Nancy. Enti, men find show trim said yes, you baby no. Ebi to mean see how ebi bet me yes. Enti the assessor yero and they say yen shayen kasa muye. They say you were your man penny, you wanna be the tree. You were speaker of parliament. Enti send your speaker of parliament a ye NDC ni. Onu so be di man penny ni bi. Muntie se man penny ni ho na be the tree ni ho a speaker. Enti ebe de pa 2021 ekosi 2024 no Ghana be de I tell you. Enti Dr. Dawood ya what did Dawood 360 capsules any Dawood ointment yaba ewie ya da wase wate me pa chaw se oyo ba ana bema na wanya problem ewo usisimu ebia entini no ena efia bam enti emogye ntumi ne afrusa ne yiye ebia koko ene hawo enti ama wuduru mpamu a enioma nkoyie mfama wo eye enhoma ene wakeka bom ede aye Dawood 360 no ena Dawood ointment ne de eye enhamama munsuo ene wonam nimde kwa so atwetwe afrasrade na wode aye nku se no nso ba bi ye wo ya fatwi enti se wakiri bremo oyawo sasabro ohaw bi a wonam wo no pe ointment ni bi na fatwi pe 360 capsules ni bi nanonom adofo what wedi baby a ton Logan ha bia wuwura mu a kasame pe Dawood 360 capsules and Dawood ointment oba uteke fimfia hakora obenya bi obetumi afre Dr. Dawood e was 0244 886437 0244 886437 o first number we ya papa no obejo so ye wo Abapa Mall eye online shop na muntie na mensemo sese ope sese ye ya ye ka say the biggest online shopper ye wo Ghana ha eye Abapa Mall onum ba ye nche de nanso enam se wonom ne omasisi so nti Ghana fo age wonom atom bibi biara opa to medofo se okọ Google Play Store ana wo iPhone akọ App Store na download the app no Abapa Mall udi ewuram de wo part obia ubenya biato ho ana ubetumi afre yen ye number eye 0555 557193 ena adie biara opese otono adofo oye ni momo ye be deliver wa ade de amawo ye ni ankasa ye wotafo 3 miles Sakasaka Park ye ne Pan African Bank ena edi animhwe Abapa Mall ye dwuma ho te se ye what time eba mixture eno ye 3D yade duro na uyi obi a 3D yade no ama wa ye mmere ama wonum ato sesei untumi ne di 3D yade na ma oswate wakoma ebo periperi wani so nyine briw kope time eba mixture nato na woto na wono no mo a adofo ebeboa wo pa wo ho a yehia brosuo nyina no ebefiri ho ama wade wo ho oba KNG Herbal Center ye wo mrom Abidjan House atonso na akojan she KNG waso ye ba ko ho ba bi eton ro Ghana ha bia wodi ewuram na kase open time herbal mixture 0244 417 669 eye your number ye wo Savior Food enso e wo dwa so a Dr. Savior ena ediaba na se droi eye aduane aduro ya se wo yi obi asikyire yade no anya de wo hia nie Savior Food wo yi obi a diabetes yade no nti insulin empane no anu awa brana Dr. Savior emma wo agenkwa aduane bi na wodi a ebeboa wo pa yade ni befiri wo magyam ama wade wo ho Fred Dr. Savior Sisia ewo 0555 789698 na wone papa no nkasa ye won Herbal Clinic aso ye we ye ultra modern Herbal Clinic ya wode ho to ye nso a adofo wanim mu ase de biara da obi wo ho ase ye ya ye ka sei wanya no mpemu hawo na ye wa doctor fo a yama won mu Africa na akọ China India na won mu akosua de afa no mpemu nti wo no mpemu problem de o de ba Herbal Clinic a ya bete ne te amwanyu ahoto wa stroke yade aka wato form awo ho aye woden kokram yade how fibroid anase prostate mu how yade bia ye bodi e mawusuo no memfa na menwiwi ho bra hinema kokoben ye ni wholesale no na edi animhwe ya fra yen 0244 120 269 na eneye enkasa ye wo Future Life Smart Food eno nso ye aduane a ya ye de aba enimdifo na atena se aka nimdia bo nimdia so en wono mo aye Future Life Smart Food na wono mo de aba na sa aduane wei ena sa yade bi ewo ni paduam ahinta enti ba bi abefa bi a yes ye hu yade nti ukura de wo se sasabonsam bi na akobo pa na ye wo bra na be kyerɛkyerɛ yen sɛ ne yade ne tie mu na ye ma Future Life Smart Food yade ne ho aduane na kodi na ahontɔ yade bia me mo yade bia din ene wo de wudi a ebese boosti we immune system ene se otie Ghana mampanyini na ado ne nkasa ye mu a wo kyerɛ sɛ korono de wono nso ne naban beye bia ma yade no aba fom kojo wo mamu no beye na ya wo kasafa yade ne ho a wo kase di bibi na we immune system no emboosti what you say enti so person we immune system ni boosti wonyare kura no a boosti we immune system no bra Future Life Smart Food ho ya Bolivia for ne ho ye wo Kumasi Sofo line alignment ne mawo aduane ya wodi e be boosti we immune system Freyen was 0242 87 8090 ye wa Agbeve Herbal Hospital Agbeve Herbal Hospital adupa wo fia oye adupa wo fia oye ye wo adakoja ache fakaye ekwadwo ofiri Kumasi na ekwa fakaya ekwadwo so na si wo Kwamu station ni hwe ni mu pe ena Agbeve Herbal Hospital ye wo na hei so ba wo yade a wo de anante akini na wachima winya no aduro no Agbeve Herbal Hospital aha na abenya no aduro obi wo ho aniti edwane ga obi aten kan yira ebia ni ho a wo so no eheki no bra wate obi wo ho a prostate mu hawo nti ama sese wa ye mrekora wo mpam oba ye funu mu kro sese ma no omo kine won yam kompa obehwe osio ma ye kese na mepese mesote saa de no koso makọ gym me gym instructor ka kire me se efri treko mami ni di obehwe na efri anopani nyina eye wheat oat pe enwadi oni di bie wa akosisa de beche o pe yade ama wo wo de wo ye ahaw sese wanya yade no bra Agbeve wo mu wonru pa wo number eye 0246 59 5256 ye wo mona so pe mona cream odwa so ensansan ne honam ani problems a wo honam kankane e wo so otwemu an nipa ye ho Agbeve mona soap ni mona cream ne bebo awo ye wo Agbeve fever ye chidi yade ho adwuma na eye Agbeve tonic eni Agbeve balm unya bia nonom tonic no nafa balm ni twitwi e bebo awo ate baby to no bia agbevenui okwa ubenya bi ahaya 102.9 FM utek enna waso egusu a utie enkoma ye boy Parliament House ene ye onimonyamfo Speaker of Parliament Right Honorable Agban Sumana Bagben wedi chiame ama imprimpri ya de mampanyini ene na bedi akire asiso awie moatonkra aba ebi wo Facebook ne so ebi wo WhatsApp ne so monso monsamo amoka no ya bekenkan bi amamo meba
Ejebo, ejenya babeju.
Oh, mawurade ni dede bebrebe.
Spanish garlic mixture na me di ho adanse a kire wo no. Ena sesei de ne capsules nso aba. Eno ni dede bebrebe yo.
Ono kwa.
Spanish garlic mixture ne capsules na aba no. Sesei de ya ye ne stronko na supporting immune system. Esan ye ma obi a odwonso antentem. De na ni so tabri no. De na setatai. De na koma boni periperi. Ena esan na ne srade e woni padua nim.
Sanso ena buama mogedi afrisane e woni paduanum ana afei obi a pampan ewo nanum Spanish garlic mixture ne capsules here abai se upe bi ato a ewo kumase no ubenya bi ewo PFA pharmacy Corinac Heba Danny Heba Fred Mens Heba Misty Heba ana afei KNG Heba any drugstore pharmacy shop bia mu so no onsa ebeka bi
shanen so oba wa fafro de o ma akwada no fo ana afei akra woni mfedumienu entimi enum aduro yi bi frɛ 0266114111
FDA ahwehwɛ sa adwadie nkratoa yi mu agye atumu se eye anokware moma yenka na Spanish garlic mixture ne capsules ya bai de eye du papo
kana kabiem life smart food obi benya wa na free yade ena apomudin so yensire nkokwan energy protein dietary fiber iron vitamin B12 and C omega 3 folic acid molecule ena selenium ena wasumdia go future life smart food aduane mu me pochinyifo Thomas bi se o magimaduane bi nkosonhwe setimi sanyarwa be se wo hane akire esichire yade mojabroso kokram ahotutuo ode epua be ma ne hunsu agene no aye mre wo mpam de ne nase atata stroke ena de na pos waye future life smart food bebo afeidie ayabushia nchemfa multabella sogum wom enti regulate sugar level no san ya adwuma kwa nkasa enimu sana diabetic theory no so boa woni a enya esichire yade sickle cell typhoid asthma brantia ne maba wa ekwa gym mompe high protein no binto oba bia opese ne yafunu ya flat no wunya smart fiber any zero smart food a future life smart food diabani ya Bolivia enterprise na akofa nuani ya ba omayimu encrying wani Ghana Telecom University ni your opposite Kumase woben sofa line alignment ena tema ubenya biato Evergreen Supermarket fre 0246010150 0242878090 future life smart food about that ho ban
never be true betting so mame the wood ointment eye kama papa
the wood ointment with the true wia ohuna baby na ye wo ya ebedu fom enkuya African Health Legendary Ointment of the Year 2018 award winner Asem ne yakin akuafo a wakọ afuom aba no wabre afrafo a wakọ epo aba no wabre adwadifo a wakọ adwom aba no wabre adrobafo a wayi gears ya drive a na wabre afitafo mesinfo obi asasabro ha no meka jahwan wudware wie na wo de the wood ointment twia wo behu da obeda
mewura mebe nko mi sisi ni mekotoje nyina
wo sisi mpo de enyo na abeka medibi ko twi ho nyina na do wontam
the wood ointment
our pharmacies herba and chemical shops titru King's Walk Herba Okaishi Dodua the Wood Scientific Herba Hospital PM Ubenya phone numbers 0241 244012 and 0201681717
the wood ointment
Fetchina Beko
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and your offense will be
and what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediamus, and why you buy no, and
ɛna sa wonom imbusaba mixture epeja immune system na bribia ya yare ntimiu sese die amanfo dodo no a na di imbusaba mixture do ne ho adanse yese enyarewa horo anipa enyina etimi ba ne so ene nyarewa kese nka ya wuti ne din ene ho ka na oyemu ahyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban efiri ho ɛna wɔn mpa ɔmo wɔ nyarewa ne dada na ɔmo nom doctor enuro no ɛnom imbusaba mixture no a ɛmo ɔmo ahoɔden pintin ya ɔmo ntimpo sɛ yare ɛhyɛ ɔmo ho imbusaba mixture ɛwɔ kanhyi ɛne ɔman mu babia yɛtɔ enuro ɛtufo mfrɛ 0246 20 8496 MDA ahyehyɛ sɛ adwadie nkrato yi mu agye ato mu sɛ yɛ
Atadwe ene yate denne ni nyansa mu a yare kwankro adan ko danna esem komu a mochim ho a enye mekanfo nask heba clinic ede amamo nask heba clinic adokta ekukudam ene nintire ene mfidie a yede abegu oboaye eme hwe yare bia mu na yehu ne poma esibre nask heba clinic yare bi etese awo ho nsem stroke onwedwe ene hawo fibroid diabetes anase nam yare ahodo koko yemkro ene hawo bema wa emre Bema utabiesa prostate eho ensem ene hawo anase unumpe ene ho atechima malaria ene ne kekaka ho ni nyina se odi wani chrem o nask heba clinic yo ahinema kokoben ye ne hose no ene di anywhere enkran taifa yo Dabi junction adjacent Fairview guest house so pese oni etwetwe enkoma 0244 120269 ana 0271 989197 bomode so do how ene kodada nyina eba abedai nask heba clinic nyakopon enam yeso ebe sa yare ama ho ato pese nask heba clinic ye number 1
21st clinic say eba sciatica no every usisimu kono a woto ase ho no ntina fa usirem ekosi wo na ase ho no ebo betimi atutu ama wo ankasa wo hu ba bi enye enti 21st clinic wo mo na ye sciatica expert e wo Ghana ha wo mo de bibiduro so ho bibiduro ankasa ene besa o yade no masa de machine aka ho yade bibiduro ka oni asa de wato machine so ya san ya o massage bi ye wi a herbal treatment yade awono ama wo ye sciatica 21st clinic na ye expert a wotu ase Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho enkran domi market wo ho heavy do dan ni mo ho ena kuma senso ahia udu session so wo mo na nie dwaboso wo mo ho sunyane ni wenchi ni ba bia nkranza 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
OTEC 102.9 FM.
Obayan sapusu wo bunubia wankana asam. Tema futu sam kakre wa supeme.
OTEC 102.9 FM.
Oh man, ya woman. Oh mani ya mama Genyi baby ako Wachata ya wareni Wonsom Wanyinyi pa Asante pa wofyoye Demo yembera ye Ebe ya ifirena Ome ya umano Ome ya mamana Adiwa ya nora Nyamichata Nyamana renya Wanso wanyinyi pa sawa ya wanabe Demo yembera ye ebe ya ifirena Wanso wanyinyi winya
no
Yamishira Mamani Paya Zefua Enyanum Yafanya Misoya Jumana Yami Besrayan Abraham Boya Emoya Muraye Ebe ya Efi Yanara Amaba ya Efi Yanara Hejano Mapofo Asite Be ya Efi Yanara Amaba ya Efi Yanara Adije Emoya Muraye
Okay. Yamfa enibre enka ho. Na sɛ yɛde enibre ka ho a, yɛbɛtumi ayɛ ɔman no yie ama ayɛ yie. De hia yɛ ɔbra no, yɛbɛbɔ ne yie. Na sɛ wohwɛ enibre a efiri nora anadwo ɛba ɛnɛdai ɛba mmarahyɛ badwam no a na nya asɛm ketewa. Mo a mowɔ yɛn Facebook no, sɛ ne yɛwɔ Facebook. Okay. Mo a mowɔ yɛn Facebook no, mo a mowɔ YouTube nso ka ho no. Okay. Yɛ kaka madwen kakra ebi a wunya bi hwɛ. Sɛneɛ na parliament na ɛteɛ entokwa ohoye ya ɛkɔɔso na Paul fa bi gu ɔmatie fo nhwɛ bi. Enti wo search for Tech 102.9 FM a wobɛhu bi. Yɛwɔ King Desert Storm ɛwɔ ahoma ne so ɛwɔ yɛn Facebook ɛna ɔsɛ God bless Ghana. Na akra ya Krobea Asante adeɛ baako a ya ne ayɛ ɛne sɛ yɛni mpanimfoɔ good leaders ya ɛsɛ sɛ wɔn mu di yɛ so enti na sɛ yɛbrɛ no na yɛbra ne yɛbɛtɔ akɔso abrɛ awie mazinfoɔ nana ɛnɛ moa na yɛtie mo ne yɛsan hwɛ mo na yɛhunu deɛ kɔɔ so ɛwɔ Ghana mmarahyɛ badwam na mampanyini ɛnso yakɔgyina tum na waka ne ntam wadi ne nse Anthony Opon ɛna ɔkyerɛ sɛ akra yɛ Krobea Asante deɛ asie a very great lesson na yɛnkɔkan Psalm 23:5 nana president ɛyɛ MPP the speaker yɛwura Sumana Bagben ɛyɛ NDC. Now the speaker has set the table and he has also put the oil in Nanado's head. Samohu speaker no ena abe seti table no wabeto pono no ena ode engo no abesra Nanado ne trim. Anthony Opon Argentina ena ono eka seye. Robi guy GH guy ena wache sakra ya Krobea Asante menso me monitamo me hwemo the swearing in of our president say wasue Mubarak wo bankarie Pragia station a yenso ye wa ha yemfamu ni agro kra nana ya Krobea Asante original cha say aka Abijo DJ Margarito Moro Market nana ya bomu abaso Utek FM and the presidential inauguration sene muafa no na muama yetie no muama ye ni agye pa akra ya Krobea Asante Daniel Bana Bright minie na ene may very much disappointed ewo NPP members of parliament mu nanso ni nyina akire no God bless our homeland Ghana. Sonia Efiakwen say good afternoon nana ya Krobea Asante you look what younger show you younger. It's my first time watching you when ni dey di kan ya me show ewo Facebook so me wo tafo na me show me da say Tom Gazi ono wa makom ene oni ni nua Shabo ene omo kire sakra ene mo abodwuma yada Santiago nso ase ene de wono nso ede ebeka ho Isaac Mensa campus ene was good afternoon NDC yada Awurade Nyankropon ase for the majority they say crowd yo majority you minority you hey Ghana man yourself akra ya Krobea Asante baby a obefa bia no ene Utek FM mwachire nimde. God bless you more fire Junior Kinazi ena wato sankrawi na ode aba Abdul Fosu Malik eno ochire sa aborefo na Krobea yenso ye hwemo part survivor econ and was good afternoon nana CEO hwede ye leaders on mu yo okay okoyen Facebook any YouTube honma yɛde akɔ akɔto hɔ sɛnea woka sɛ CEO no na ɛda hɔ no deɛ yɛ members of parliament ɛnora anadwo ba nnɛ ɔnom yɛɛyɛ aslo wusu koraa deɛ ɛwɔ mma kɔtena kwabena mi nta akandɔ ne nan so bɛm ɛna waka ne nsa agu ne bɔ akandɔ nso te odin ɛsla so ɔnyɛ small iza o ɔnyɛ small fish ɔyɛ shark okay edi video no show mo hwɛ sebulo so bi go hey Imboost Herbal Mixture for awie edama say for your support your number 1 immune booster ya se unya bi na se ono no mo a ebeboa pa Imboost Herbal Mixture na mesra so you obi a woni paduam ote yaw ewom da ne da pressure any asichire yade e how liver ni kidney problem e di wunya hey esla na ni eden pa o akonya na no okotena so majority side no obi hwan enu oyi ma me ne hwe ho na obi nso ete enchen ho ete akonya no bi so no akopia na sum no sa video ne da so no ene da so no onhwe hey lady eni eden enti se wunya Imboost Herbal Mixture ni bi na so no mo a emma ohoye den papa baby eton ro bi awura mu a obenya bi na wato Freyen was 0246 208496 near no monkomo. Ya wa 21st clinic. Ya wa no de or ye expect e basiatic emua. Se uyu bia oto ase wanantu ana wo nantini entini mu twetwew woje wo ho enye. Mesra o ment na ho wan hwe ya stroke ebe kan wato form oba 21st clinic a de ayehwo eni se de mfidie ye hwehwemu we no nso to enchen a yade bi edi unya bia no yedi hu dwuma ye wo laboratory and scan services ka ho ye wo massage ne machines a yede be treat you ama wanya wa hoto 21st clinic eno ote akando na so no watena ne na so adwedwura dam mo am Facebook ni YouTube no watena ne na so eno adwedwura akando nzu filio o fili na bre no obebre pa ami ni modu obebre oba kando zo ye short by parliament okay enti 21st clinic ye hiane so obeba ye beboa enna ye wo 21st canteen ya ha no ye serve with fresh and hot meals anopa no nso pepepe na ye fufuo ene adwene nkwan papa bi aye krado emo banku nkwan ni aduane bi a wo pa di bia no oba 21st canteen a ubenya bi kumase ye wo ahua overseas otra alpha radio wa ye wo hwa ye ne filling station total filling station no ene ye opposite 0540 311 311 eye ye number Monfa ba kona karosa hinkra okohwim paper na wodi dwane a picture bi bai no bi ayire no amia ne pa tare wankona hey honorable members anya sa papa no nya covid a odi koye campaign a ya jeni pose odishim obishim
Asem Beba Dabi
hey politics free mama yendidi atadwisam ni bi ai atadwisam no eye pa atadwisam no eye se wunya atadwisam ni bi dia elowa o blood pressure ma o na esichire yade ekure wo so ne yi free ho na efia ba wuntiri ni mu a eno nso eyi frim box so na yetumu aba no mo diom na bo bototwe ena obi nso akomia so pa se da bi o ma bibia nto no ena okohwimu yi to demrika gigigigi no enye easy atadwisam no ba take fm how benya bi udia ema we immune system no eye very stronger o cholesterol was throw udia benefits oba breman o say kwadwo street UGC kwan so a Honso ubenya bi ho. Freyen was 0247995160. Na yene won kasa. Onfa di omkwache ne share one corner no. Blow no na me pesa etie for he no. Di ompo ni blow no. No. Spanish garlic mixture and capsules. Hey, nempi ya wa shefita wa chashe white no. Akwe ya mafia. Hey, that me mamuma me hwe nanim ye. Hey, MP na wa she eche white no. Ediefo mo hwe nanim ye na mo hwe MP kroma me. Mo hwe nanim ye. O che eche white and o she fugu white. Akwe ne ho den se ne wo titim no. Nye easy. Onom Spanish garlic mixture and the capsules ni bia. Eyi fi efru mojem. Enti obi o se me na se tai. My yakasi abroso o cholesterol dodo, hypertension, gastric ulcer. Udwawi wie na ho ye ohene. Wo ta adwonso esichire yade na ye osa no. I try to say how. Me dofo Spanish garlic mixture and the capsules nanonom. And here was Spanish ginkgo capsules. Spanish ginkgo capsules. Na sa ginkgo capsules we ya Spanish for the abano. Yede adie bi efe ni ginkgo biloba. Baby ye free ya no nyoma ye de yen. Any soya oil. And ye de nyoma kan bo mu aye sa Spanish ginkgo capsules yi. Na ono mu a ememu je tumi de afrusa na iwo mu. Enti obi a ya wota aka se me de emoje ntumi ya na asem me matata ibi obi nso wo ho se me kaya de kan de kire me a me wure fi ne ntem enom ne de keke ka ho no opese wakoma ye adwuma yie utumi gina mu wo mansemu a Spanish ginkgo capsules baby eton no bi akwa odin na benya bi 0266114111 ya wonti ase ne frɛ adiefo mu hu no mu hu sa mpi kro no sa mpi no ohwe atama no osua no no be ye trasem papa because I say okwakobo obi blow ena obi so ni mu o prevent no apete ni pa na je no munya me na me ko poni nkuno action no sa na kire nyese sa no kan action na oyem say ye nyina ayakonda atamu yesusa no obi be kan na pese o poni kuna I say ya be pata no na wo pete no jami sa line na bi Onye. Zambis yo mo honde. Well, yam family ye. Me dey the Krobea nana yaw Asante. Baby biara owa ohwe yen ana utie yen free ye no. Nyankopon onhyira wo. Sabri no miensa no abo. Ye sori so na yamakwan ama. Abedwafo nka ye enso abetenase no on mo pensem mu awura mu na Yehowa ya adomo a ye de aka besom ene ye yawada nka ne yifiada nka ye ene ye yawada akyinifie ye beba ni aba besom ewo 102.9 FM utek Asem beba de bi ye de beba Jataba Apostle na nadwo adom akyede CJ Louis Amos any other technicians on duty and the great Santiago ononso otenenka and out here kosieje wa akode enso enka na wonyina ase emamumo enitia ahenawa happy holiday.